Please welcome with a huge round of applause our guest for today's evening. He's the biggest Bollywood content creator you will find in all of India. Netflix's favorite darling. Please welcome Pulkit Kochhar. Let's go. Let's go. Any minute now. Yes, he's here. Pulkit Kochhar, let's hear it for Pulkit Kochhar, guys. Yes, how's it going? Welcome. Nice, looking dashing, man.
यार हमने बिट प्रिपेयर किया था
Nice.
कि ये इतने अमेजिंग है माहौल के, हम तो कहते हैं ये पुरुष ही नहीं है.
अरे महापुरुष है. So I had like something else in mind, okay? I was
He
like,
was about to say something.
नहीं मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ माइक चल रहा है.
हाँ. Welcome, Pulkit. How's it going, man?
The mic here also. Why are we holding this then?
So
Aesthetics.
that people in the back can hear us
Okay.
even if we talk like
Hello.
this. ऐसा. That's all right, man.
नहीं,
How's it
हमने
going?
बहुत बार पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड करने के बाद रियलाइज किया कि रिकॉर्डिंग तो ऑन ही नहीं की थी, तो इसलिए उसने
जैसे कि इस हफ्ते का एपिसोड जो भी आएगा.
we have to make do with a lot of
Yeah.
audio.
But thank you for having me. मतलब thank you for having me for a episode जिस पे बहुत गालियाँ आने वाली clearly.
Yes, correct.
क्योंकि अंदाज अपना कि recasting हम कर रहे हैं. Like
Yes.
like the best casting directors in Mumbai clearly.
Yeah.
Is there anyone in the audience who has never seen Andaz Apna Apna? Anyone at all? That's fine. You
Then
don't
they
have to
will
say-
like our
space, yeah, you
casting.
can,
They have no
you can-
option.
Great. So but do you have any idea what the movie is? Okay, that's
True.
all
Yeah,
she
yeah,
knows.
Yeah, bro.
It's a comedy.
That's good enough.
And I hate comedies. Why would I watch it? I don't like laughing and all. So, ma'am, Andaz Apna Apna, widely considered a classic, okay, in terms of comedy. It stars Amir Khan, Salman Khan, also stars a myriad of other actors. Again, we'll get to them. And should we tell her like the basic plot of Andaz Apna Apna before we start? What do you think? How would you go about it on Netflix, man?
See Netflix पे नहीं अंदाज अपना. I won't. I only talk about movies that are premiere. No, I'm joking.
Nice.
But it's, I think more than the stories, the quirk is in the characters.
Correct,
Like,
yes.
the story is quite basic, but you can tell.
That's true. Yeah. ठीक है. Basic story ये है कि यार अमेरिका से एक बंदी आई है, रवीना टंडन का कैरेक्टर played by Ravina herself. And then there's a mixed match of किसका नाम रवीना, किसका नाम कृष्णा. We'll get to that also.
Yeah, I mean,
Everything we'll get to.
We'll get to because we'll get to all of these characters. There's more to discuss, more to talk about. So she's come to India. These two guys, Amar Prem, want to marry her, and half of India wants to marry her because Reis baap ki aulad. So you know all that. Iklauti aulad, and all the property will come to the person who marries her.
Yes.
And so then hijinks ensue because the other people are involved. There's a diamond heist in the middle somehow. And like crazy shit are happening. There's a double role of Paresh Rawal. It's great.
Ravina's dad is Paresh Rawal.
Yeah.
He has a double role. एक भाई है जो जेल में था बहुत साल से.
Yeah.
तो वो बदला लेना चाहता है शरीफ वाले परेश रावल से.
और शरीफ बनना चाहता है.
हाँ. By kidnapping one of the girls
और उसका सपना है कि वो पोल्ट्री खोले.
पोल्ट्री. ऐसे हम जाते रहेंगे ना. प्लॉट कभी
और अभी तो मेटा जोक्स का पिटारा खोला ही नहीं है. कितने सारे हैं.
Oh, there is also Mogambo's bhatija called
Crime Master Gogo.
Crime Master Gogo, of
Oh,
course.
I was gonna call you guys. So you know, like there's a song in the movie very famously called "Do Mastane." Okay, "Do Mastane chale zindagi banane," right? The "Do Mastane" sounds like something you would call to people who aren't exactly bright. ये देखो दो मस्ताने जा रहे हैं, right?
You are confusing it with चूतिया.
That's what, dude. I think exactly. Mastane is a nicer way of calling someone like, oh, you know, what a free spirit, what mastana, dude.
I think the funny part is you look at both of them and you're like, obviously इनको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. Like,
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
they're
exactly.
so dumb.
Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. So, do mastane and Snehal Abbas are my two mastanas. This is basically what I want to say.
What is it?
And I'm,
You spoke
What does
too
that
soon.
make you?
I'm co-host Master Gogo.
You're Anand Akhela.
Hey, I like that.
The funny part is हम तीनों में से एक वही है जो अकेला नहीं है.
हाँ, exactly. जो आनंद अकेले नहीं कर रहा है. If you know what I
And
mean.
Pulkit would be Teja मैं हूँ मार किधर है. Let's okay.
Yeah, I have some slight trivia about, not slight, like some bits of trivia about
Cool,
Andaz
I love
Apna
this,
Apna.
yes.
So, Andaz Apna Apna, the background music for this was given by Viju Shah, whose
Okay.
claim to fame is Gupt. He was the music composer for Gupt.
Okay.
So, he was the one who gave the background music. Can anyone here tell me, without Googling, tell me who the music composer of Andaz Apna Apna is? अबे तेरे को सब पता है. OP नहीं यार, इतनी पुरानी पिक्चर भी नहीं है यार.
DD क्या समझ से?
Yes.
Tushar
Can you tell me any other famous soundtrack that Tushar Bhatia has composed? Yeah, because he didn't. And last I googled,
What? This is the one and the only he did?
he's done some random TV shows, commercials, but nothing as popular as Andaz Apna
But
Apna.
I understand why she said OP Nayyar, because the brief was ki make music like it's in 50s.
Right, yeah.
Yes.
And the lyrics are by Majroo Sultanpuri, who had been writing lyrics
Oh, yeah.
for a really long time. But last I googled, the music composer of Andaz Apna is teaching classical music, and he does music for theatrical productions. So for all you know, the show happening across the street from here.
This show also is Tushar Bhatia. ये क्यों नहीं बोला?
is Tushar Bhatia.
Tushar Bhatia.
I tried to search. So there's a very popular music composer, Vanraj Bhatia, who used to do music for all these parallel cinema movies. If they were in any way related, but there's no information about that. So,
Okay, all right, fair
So
enough.
yeah, just that little bit of trivia.
Okay, fair enough. What's you guys' relationship with Andaz Apna Apna? Like, when was the first time you watched it, starting with Pulkit?
I think I had seen bits and pieces on TV, and before this trend of re-releases, there was a company called 1018 MB.
Yeah.
In the late 2010s. Okay, I was like, okay, so
अभी 4-5 साल पहले.
17, it's been 8 years by the way. So उस time पे ना they used to have these random shows in random cities. Like चंडीगढ़ में एक अंदाज अपना अपना का शो था. So that's when I went and watched, I think 2018 दिसंबर में full.
That was the first time you watched it full?
यार टीवी पे शोले ये सब मूवीज ऐसे ही दिखती थी.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इतनी लंबी ऐड आती थी, तुम दूसरा चैनल लगाते फिर भूल जाते कि वो भी देखनी थी. जब तक वापस आओ कुछ ना कुछ मिस हो ही जाता था. Correct. Yeah.
That's true all the time.
But yeah, my I think relationship with Andaz Apna Apna is ki obviously on YouTube we have watched like the clips 1,000 times.
Thousands of times.
And what people do with Priyadarshan movies now, we did with Andaz Apna Apna. Like you will find Andaz Apna Apna in every aspect ratio available on YouTube. From the worst quality to the 4K ones. Because someone uploaded it when YouTube was invented also.
Yeah.
Gold mine cinemas.
And someone uploaded it yesterday also.
And Shemaru is uploaded it.
So yeah, bits and pieces. I think police station scene is one of the most memorable scenes
Dude,
for me.
I can do Tiku Talsania's that. Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, nice.
By the way, I rehearsed it all of today because I'm like, I want to nail this.
It would be so funny if he goes to Kapil Sharma and
Yeah.
you know Sunil Grover does a whole act and he's like, I also can do.
By the way, I can do one word in every character.
Word भी नहीं है. This is a sound. I can do a sound.
Trend going on now, owls. Yeah, that is.
And he goes and makes one sound and they're like, that's it.
Wow, क्या nail कर दिया आपने. Next thing you know, I'm promoting Veer Das's movie.
Shikha Talsania and the Edos like, Dad?
Oh well, nice. What I used to do with Andaz Apna Apna when I was in 5th and 6th standard. Actually, from the 4th till the 7th standard, so like 4 years, I stayed in Bombay. My dad had a transferable job. We used to stay in Nepean Sea Road. We had government housing in Nepean Sea Road.
Oh, fancy.
I just literally said government housing, Nepean Sea Road, because I know
How
the second I
many-
say Nepean Sea Road, these fuckers are gonna say, "Oh, fancy, this fucker,
Oh,
oh,
yeah,
he's
sorry,
sober."
or shit, poor now.
Yeah. Look at me. So, my dad had transferred the job. And
Yeah.
So we used to come home every single day from school, my brother and I. And every single day, not even kidding, end to end, we would watch Andaz Apna Apna. And that's why puri movie by heart hai hum dono ko.
So you had a VCD, I'm guessing.
We had a VCD, then a DVD, we graduated, all of that. Then,
I
then
said
pen drive.
VCD and not CD. Like, just to make sure it's not DVD. Like that generation.
We had the power DVD player also back in the day, jo hota rehta tha, you know? The screen, or that, the screensaver or that.
Nice.
Yeah, fun times. So then after watching the movie every single night, while in bed, my brother lying next to each other, nothing.
What?
I know.
say
Abbas' brain is going. I was like, oh, in bed, your brother, you're making a sex show. Sir wanted sex show.
तू रवीना बन मैं अमर बनता.
तू अमर को मैं प्रेम बनता हूँ. What are you talking about?
In my, I would say there is a euphemism like this thing in the movie जहाँ पे आमिर की टोपी यू होती है फिर वो खड़ी हो जाती है, ठीक है?
ये दिल मेरा डक डक
डोले है.
That's clearly a euphemism for an
हाल
erection,
है
right?
जो तेरा वही हाल में.
हाँ तो क्या करता था रात को?
तो
भाई के साथ बेड में.
yeah, भाई के साथ बेड में we would reenact scenes, dialogues wise.
Of Andaz Apna.
Apna.
हाँ.
Yeah,
Who would you be of the two, Amar and Prem?
रवीना
Jenna Jameson.
Jenna James.
I would be, like all the scenes. Like our favorite scene to reenact would be the ये मैयत का चंदा है कि
ये फिरौती का पैसा है या
मैयत का चंदा है. हाँ, करेक्ट. तो ये 50
ब्रो सबसे
चेक
बढ़िया
होंगे सर. लाख 50 चेक होंगे.
चल चल बड़े आए गोदी वाले
गोदी चल नीचे उतर.
It's the throwaway lines.
By the way, fun fact, if you look up best scene Andaz Apna Apna, this is the scene that shows up on YouTube.
ये गोदी वाले
ये गोदी वाले. Yeah. Great.
Yeah, Vijusha.
Okay. What about you, Abbas?
I am the oldest among all of you. So
Oh, so you saw it in theatre?
You watched it
I
in
did watch
theatre.
it in
Oh, did you watch?
Bro,
But
he was the
before-
AD on the film.
Before, so everybody, I was there when Rajkumar Santoshi was writing this.
Oh, wow. Nice. You cut his umbilical cord when he was born, right?
So,
nice.
film came out in 94, right? I was 6 years old. So,
Yeah.
even before it ever reached the theaters, I had gone on a holiday to Lucknow to my nani's house. वो केबल वाले ने लगा दी थी, ठीक है? Pirated movie.
Oh, wow.
And there wasn't much about this. So,
I forgot that used to be a thing.
yeah.
So cable guy could put
So,
on pirated movies.
when the movie started and Juhi Chawla showed up, we were all wondering, कौन सी picture लगाई है? इसमें Juhi Chawla दिखाई नहीं. Then Govinda shows up.
Ayla.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first.
And the thing was, so my cousin was a little older than me. He was laughing at all the meta jokes. When he says कि शोले इसके बाप ने लिखी है, he laughed. I was like, क्या joke है? I was like, नहीं सच में इसके बाप ने लिखी है. मैं कौन है?
तब तक हमने IMDb
Exactly,
trivia पढ़ा
yeah.
था.
So then we came back to Bombay and I went to see the movie with my parents in the theater. कि बहुत funny picture है. आधा थिएटर खाली था. जितने लोग थे, I think we saw it in Eros or something. Those who were there were laughing. But the movie was such a big flop कि वो प्रिंट काट रहे थे बीच में से, ठीक है? कि जल्दी शो खत्म हो, जल्दी हम लोग घर गए. हाँ. तो
Oh, now I get it. So there is, dude, I've always had this qualm. So whenever you watch it anywhere, on Prime Video if you watch it, or even on YouTube if you watch it, there is one part which is always snipped from Andaz Apna Apna, which is when Paresh Rawal, Ram Gopal Verma, तेजा को सर पे मार के राम गोपाल बजाज सर.
I'm sure that was the reference.
Bro, but the funny part is कि अगर आप इस सेंटेंस को आइसोलेशन में देखो तो राम गोपाल वर्मा में किसी ना किसी को मार ही रहा होगा.
Oh, exactly works. So राम गोपाल बजाज तेजा को मार के वो जब निकलता है जेल से, तो भागते that scene, there's a whole shot actually where he runs out and comes to the car and then he sees तुम लोग जानवर लोग जंगल में क्या कर रहे हो? That scene has been cut. It always cuts to these guys hitting him on the head or something, and they're like, okay, move, and then they hit him on the head. It always cuts to that. Do you agree? Do you know what I'm talking about? Yes. See? Yeah. Fun fact.
yeah. So I've seen that empty theater plus cult following thing happening
Right in
through
front
the
of your
year.
eyes.
Right in front
But
of my
very
eyes.
funny, the pirated version you watched,
Yeah.
it's because of those versions it was a flop.
Correct, yeah,
Because
yeah.
it was the first movie to be pirated on a big scale. That's
Is
why,
it?
yeah, one of the reasons it flopped, apart from nobody gave a fuck. Like the whole cast, nobody promoted it. Everybody thought, apart from Amir, nobody thought these jokes were funny.
भाई वो
Yeah.
आपस में बात ही नहीं
Yeah,
कर
they
रहे थे
famously
प्रमोशन
didn't
क्या
get
क्या
along
है.
well.
Yeah, it was ahead of his times, even like that. Like because आज भी आती तो हम बोलते हैं ये OTT वाली मूवी है, घर पे देखेंगे.
So imagine because Salman had Hum Aapke Hain Kaun in the same year, which was
Yeah.
a big hit. So he's like, let me focus on that and like,
Yeah.
Oh, it was the same year.
yeah.
94.
Oh, dude, he looked so
Two
different.
cult movies
And
for
that's
different
why-
reasons.
Yeah, so that's why
4
Salman's
years.
hair in the whole movie is
Yeah,
as
half
different.
hair is Sajan, half
Correct.
is Hum Aapke Hain Kaun.
Suddenly has a body and all like what? Yeah, dude. Yeah, correct. Oh wow, what a
Snail,
time.
your
Snail.
memories?
भाई मैंने तो जी सिनेमा पे देखी है बढ़िया एकदम घर वालों के साथ बैठ के. मम्मी ने पहले देखी हुई थी. जो लोग पॉडकास्ट पहले से फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनको पता है मेरी मम्मी का जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार और धर्म है कि स्नेहिल को सारी पिक्चरें दिखानी है.
Let's go.
ठीक है तो मम्मी जो
Oh, people are like, oh. Can we have your mother on the podcast with us?
You should.
Yeah, Snail को हटाओ, मैम को ले आओ.
तो कोई भी ऐसी कल्ट क्लासिक फिल्म है, चाहे दीवार हो गई, चाहे अंदाज अपना अपना हो गई, चाहे मैं आज़ाद हूँ हो गई, ये सारी फिल्म्स मम्मी ने मेरे को जबरदस्ती बिठा के दिखाई कि ये तुझे देखनी पड़ेंगी, देख.
Man.
तो ऐसे ही
That's-
जितनी भी ये सारी फिल्म्स हैं मैंने ऐसे ही देखी हैं.
That's child cruelty, man. What the hell, dude? देख साले बैठ, खाना नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को.
भाई एक बार मम्मी ने मुझे बकायदा मैथ्स ट्यूशन में था. मम्मा ने मेरी टीचर को फोन किया कि घर पे इमरजेंसी
देखो मैम, इसको तो वैसे भी 100 आने वाले हैं.
दिस इज नॉट अ मेड अप स्टोरी. मम्मी ने मैम को फोन किया कि घर पे इमरजेंसी है, इसको फटाफट घर भेज दो. मैम ने मेरे को बोला ठीक है जाओ फटाफट जाओ, तुम्हारी मम्मी का फोन आया। मैं बैग वैग लेके घर भाग रहा हूँ एंड आई एंटर।
स्नेल जा रहे नानी तो ठीक होगी।
ब्रो आई किड यू नॉट, आई एंटर एंड माई मॉम सेज 10 मिनट में मैं आजाद हूँ स्टार्ट होने वाली है, बैग रख के बैठ जाओ।
मैंने सच में तुझे आजाद कर दिया। मैं आजाद हूँ दिखाने
मैं
के लिए।
बकायदा और उस बार वो जब भी अपना टाटा स्काई वगैरह का ऊपर एंटीना लगा रहता था तो बारिश में वो चलना बंद हो जाता था।
Okay.
डूड बारिश हो रही थी, लाइट घर की चली गई, सब हो गया, इन्वर्टर वगैरह पे एक अप्लायंस चल सकता है घर का।
हाँ.
मम्मी ने सारे पंखे लाइटें बंद करा के मुझे बकायदा सिर्फ ताकि एक टीवी का लोड ले पाए, हम लोग ऐसे बैठ के मैं आजाद हूँ देख रहे हैं।
वाह यार, वाह यार। पीछे डैड चला रहे हैं, मेरा एसी क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा? पंखा ऑन करो, मेरा गर्मी लग रही है मेरे को। That's damn awesome, dude. That's nice. All you have to do is name whoever after we reveal what our casting is gonna be for one character. We will throw to you guys.
Tell
And you
him
guys
our
have to
names.
write.
He might not know our
Yeah,
names.
you guys have to write one of our names. We'll tell you our names. We have to write one of our names as to who you think won that round of casting.
Wow.
Okay.
At the best.
तो आपको-
At the best choice.
You don't have to score. You don't have to individually score. Sorry, my bad. You guys did too much effort. Can we show the camera? Can we show the camera how much?
मैं वही देखा
Also,
मैंने कहा भाई
sitting right next to each other, दोनों ही खराब कर रहे हैं. I like it.
अरे
Because they are teacher. Copy क्या होता है? आज क्या कर रहा है वे?
उसको ऋषभ को लगा प्रोफेसर है ये तो सही करेगा।
आप पेपर लिख रहे होते हो, फिर एकदम से कोई डायग्राम बनाने लगता है। बोलते डायग्राम किस चीज का बना है?
Okay, let's go, guys.
start करते हैं।
एक बार जोर से तालियां बजा दो ताकि हम शुरू हो जाए। गुरु ताली ठोको। Okay, let's go. First up, of course, the big duo, Amar Prem.
Yeah.
पहले रूल बता दो, हम लोग रणवीर कास्ट नहीं करते किसी भी रोल में, ये हमारा रूल है।
Oh shit, पहले क्यों बताया? I know.
नहीं तो फिर तो बहुत इजी कास्ट, अमर ये और
Yeah, Amir.
रणवीर
So we've for the longest time, okay, we have when we were doing castings, almost every episode we would end up one of us would end up choosing Ranveer as the main
As the
cast
lead,
member.
yeah.
Because it's so easy. Those guys are so versatile and so amazing as actors that we're like, oh no, this is a rule. We
Yeah.
cannot do them. And very often Vicky Kaushal is gonna get included in that because we ended up
fair.
using. But not today, guys. Not today.
Not
Vicky
today,
Kaushal
actually,
भी
not
नहीं
today,
है.
not today.
Vicky Kaushal is also of the list.
No. He's right now he's on the list.
Okay.
But soon.
but after
him
2
and
more
Alia.
hits
Yeah.
he's not
out
there.
of it. So Amar Prem,
Yes.
I think how we should go about is, should we do it in pairs?
For
Each
this-
person
for
reveals
this, I think, yes.
Amar and Prem, or should we go Amar, Prem.
अमर करते हैं। I think वो एक शक्ल दिमाग में रख के लोग
ठीक
सॉरी अमर करते हैं ताकि एक शक्ल दिमाग में लोग रख के
Okay, ठीक है.
evaluate कर पाएं अच्छे
Fair
से।
enough. So let's go. Who wants to start? Amar. Who is Amar, played by Amir Khan? Who would you recast him?
Oh, you want me to
as
start?
Snail? Yeah, why
Okay,
not?
fucks bro.
Why? How confident are you? By the way, see.
मैं इस वाले पे थोड़ा मुझे ऐसा लग
Should
रहा है
we
mainstream
start with the
choice है।
guest? I mean, we kind of know each other's choices a little bit.
Okay, we can do that. Also, before we finally get into it, I have to say that I win all of these. Every single one has been won only by me and nobody else.
So अमर विक्रांतमा से प्रेम विक्रांतमा से
रवीना विक्रांतमा से।
रवीना विक्रांतमा से with a wig.
Teja and Ram Golam Rao, Vikrant Mase
विक्रांत
again.
मासे in double
I like
role.
it.
Yes,
I like
of
it.
course.
Vikrant Mase and Vikrant
Crime
Masi.
Master
for the-
Gogo मासे विक्रांत.
Oh, that one? Okay, yeah. Who's that, dude? Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Let's go. Start with Pulkit. Who do you think your Amar is?
So my choice might feel like an easy choice to you all, but there is logic. There is some familiarity.
Ranveer.
Okay.
My choice is Imran Khan. Why? I'll tell you. Familiar face. It's easy to adapt.
Oh, also the running joke of him being Amir's
and I feel
nephew.
उसका sense of humor अच्छा लगता है मुझे movies में. Like whatever we have seen in his limited 5 years of career from
ए, इसको हार्ट अटैक आ गया यार, क्या हो गया?
नहीं, मेरा phone gave up. Like Imran Khan.
like Delhi Belly is there obviously, but there are comic moments in all his rom-coms also. Like Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, he has great like moments, and obviously the first movie he did. And I feel the familiarity, I'll explain, okay? So, if anyone remakes a Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan song, you're like, bro, why are you touching a classic like that?
Yeah.
But recently I saw a person recreating a Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan song, but he was sitting. He was sitting niche, just like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. So I was like, there is some familiarity and he sounded better somehow. This is, stay with me. So the familiarity of Imran Khan's face and Amir Khan's face. टैलेंट आमिर खान
Sir, you're not involved like that also.
टैलेंट
okay?
आमिर खान में कहाँ था?
नो सो आमिर खान पहली कॉमेडी थी अंदाज अपना
Yeah, for sure.
सो आमिर खान को भी इमेजिन किसी ने तो किया ना उस टाइम पे
Yeah, okay.
तो एंड इमरान तो हैज एट लीस्ट डन 3-4 कॉमेडीज व्हाई कांट इमरान डू
Because he wasn't good in those comedies. That's the problem.
वेट
That's the problem actually.
ओके सो जब ये दिल्ली बेली इज बेटर देन एनी लास्ट लाइक
But see, Delhi Belly, I think,
Delhi
is
Belly-
such a strong script. It would have worked regardless of.
Also, he's a
Imran.
very urban English speaking guy in that.
अच्छा you were saying कि work with anyone okay you were saying talking about Varun Dhawan
Yeah.
would Varun Dhawan be as good as Imran Khan
Guys,
in Delhi Belly
in this role, you mean?
Yes.
Or in Varun Dhawan?
In-
Varun Dhawan in Delhi Belly.
हाँ हाँ
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think,
let's take any
Could well
comedy in the last 5 years
dude, I think any role that Imran Khan has done, except I think truly Jaane Tu, can be done by anyone else.
no I feel he has a familiarity
Hot
his
take.
sense
Hot
of-
take.
no I disagree completely
That's fine.
but fuck
That's all good.
and no but I feel his sense of humor is very similar to Amir Khan we have seen in the promos of Delhi Belly we have seen in
Yeah,
so
yeah.
many things he has done an AIB video in 2015 when
Yeah.
no one got YouTube humor in
That's
2015
true.
except
That's true.
Imran in
Imran,
Bollywood
Yeah.
fair.
so he definitely has potential to be there first of all like हम अंदाज अपना अपना की बात कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
so कोई भी क्लिप डालोगे उसके शुरू में 5 सेकंड का सॉरी डालना कि हम अंदाज अपना अपना को रिकास्ट कर रहे हैं पहली बार
Sorry, हमारी ये मजाल. Yeah, fair enough.
but
Okay,
yeah
Imran?
that's my choice yes
Okay, Imran. Good. Decent. Oh, okay. Not that great actually.
audience let them decide
Yeah, it's all good.
Let them decide.
It's all good.
Let them
But
decide.
what would you say? Do you think Imran would be good?
यार I feel नहीं.
let's see your choice
Exactly,
let's come to your choice and then we will compare
मतलब एटलीस्ट ये है द लाइक जो मेरा चॉइस है फॉर अमर एटलीस्ट विल गेट ऑडियंस टू द थिएटर्स लाइक मतलब
क्या
नॉट
शाहरुख खान का होना है?
Shots fired.
not in those high numbers but still a better star value than Imran.
कौन
oh,
है
I
फिर?
thought we were
बता
talking about acting here but
Yeah,
हाँ,
like opening
acting-
box office.
acting में भी बेटर है.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरी तो इंडी
अभी
मूवी
कोई
है
कह रहे थे
पूरी.
ना
आपकी हमेशा इंडी मूवी नवाज तो नहीं है आपका अमर.
Let's find out.
नवाज और पंकज त्रिपाठी yes, everything. हाँ बोल.
Nice.
What's
ठीक है.
yours? Who's
So
yours?
my Amar originally played by Amir Khan in 2026. Shahid Kapoor will play Amar. Thank you. See,
so
I'm third now.
I have a counterpoint
Not
here.
fourth. अच्छा बताओ.
I
अंदाज
think-
अपना अपना डायरेक्टर मेड फटा पोस्टर निकला
निकला
हीरो
hero,
शाहिद
yes,
and we
correct.
know how many people went to the theater
अरे but
Yeah, but he was
he
good.
acted very well, dude. अच्छा funny.
You were talking about going to the theater.
I'm on Pulkit's side, okay? Imran's great. Shahid is the one who sucks. That's all.
no I'm saying कि अजब if you compare from that
Yeah.
अजब प्रेम
यार
was a way
ऐसे-
better film
नहीं,
also
the thing
that is 100%
I
yes.
agree. आजब प्रेम गजब कहानी ऑब्वियसली मतलब बेटर फिल्म है बट देन ऐसे तो हम अगर कंपेयर करेंगे अच्छी फिल्मों मतलब अच्छी फिल्मों तो बहुत सारी हैं फिर तुम सबसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं बट आई फील जो एक कॉमेडिक टाइमिंग चाहिए एक ह्यूमर चाहिए शाहिद में वो अच्छा है उसने कई कॉमेडी फिल्म्स अपने एक्टिंग पे तो अच्छे से पुल ऑफ
see if it was
like what
2010s
name?
ना sorry 2000s I would say Shahid also but now he's मतलब I can't see him that young of a role मतलब उसकी एज भी नहीं है वो रोल
हाँ,
वाली
वो
Yes,
ज- वो-
that's
वो-
age
वो
shape
झलपना
भी
नहीं करता अब वो बहुत सीरियस रोल करता
क्या नहीं करता?
झल्ला नहीं है वो
छल्ला. अच्छा.
पिक्चर
बट कर सकता है
कर तो कोई भी कुछ
कर सकता है और वो उसपे एक्चुअली वो झल्ला लगता नहीं है वो करते हुए
That's true.
वो तब भी सही लगता है.
So I would say that Shahid, there's certain archetype that Amar has. It has to be like थोड़ा conniving,
हाँ.
right? थोड़ा boisterous. He's the one who leads the movie.
हाँ.
Prem follows. Prem is the follower, right?
Yeah.
So I think those characteristics I can see
Shahid do.
in Shahid a
Yes,
little bit.
thank you.
A little bit more than Imran. Sorry, man.
but you're not
अरे
voting
अरे जज
What's your choice?
तू क्या जज बन रहा है और कौन है
और कौन है यहाँ पे? Okay, let's go. Mine is, guys, I would like to say.
वरुण धवन तो
No,
नहीं है.
no. Varun Dhawan was an option. So as if you know me, okay, I always have I do a cheat code, man, Pulkit, because I know that my one option will not be great always. So I always have two options.
For
so
both
guys
of
get
them to
decide.
be not great.
Yeah, you know? and then sometimes it'll be like so out of left field, like what? That is amazing.
Just
And then-
for reference and context, इसने हमने शोले का रिकास्ट किया था. इसने बसंती रेबेल किड से कास्ट करी थी.
and Antariksh is judging my choice sorry
the best casting option. This was right after Traitors had come out. This was right after Traitors had come out, and I was like, oh, dude, she is going to be the next big star.
Yeah,
I was wrong.
as we also
हेमा मालिनी
Hey man.
ट्रेटर्स देख के इसको लगा हेमा मालिनी
You have to start somewhere. You have to start somewhere. Start somewhere. Okay, let's go.
Like,
ये रियलिटी शो में आती है घोड़ी तो चला ही लेगी.
इमेजिन अंतरिक्ष रात को अकेले इसकी रेबेल किड की फोटो के आगे ड्रीम गर्ल गा रहा है.
Dream
वो
girl.
घोड़ी पे छोड़ने जाते जाते स्टोरी टाइम करेगी ना ऐसा.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, guys, story time. Get ready with me or whatever. Okay.
What are your
So I would like to say my first option. Okay, is
मतलब फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मतलब सेकंड ऑप्शन
my first.
या फिर फाइनल ऑप्शन यही है.
I think this is the stronger option.
Achha,
Okay, but the other option also I'm very excited about. So I'm good with both of these guys doing the role. Or maybe make two Andaz Apna Apnas because why not? My first option is Vicky Kaushal. Okay. People are fine with it. People are happy about it. A little more happy than I heard them about Imran Khan being.
You could see my face on. You didn't, matlab.
That's fine. So Vicky Kaushal, I think again can nail almost anything that's thrown at him. Comedy, he aces fucking Man Marziya.
Which movie?
Man Marziya.
मनमर्जिया में कॉमेडी कर रहा था वो.
A lot of his character is like being the loud guy.
Oh yeah, then when he cries in the jeep.
he's
क्या
good,
मस्त
dude.
फनी लगा था.
Yeah, but he can do anything, dude. Like zara hatke zara bach ke, he does like little comedy moments.
haven't watched.
He's very nice.
I haven't watched that. No.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
haven't watched much comedy of Vicky to be honest.
Okay,
to
that's
consider.
fine.
मतलब मैंने उसकी वो देखी है मेरा नाम गोविंदा.
गोविंदा नाम है.
Yeah.
गोविंदा नाम मेरा. हाँ
Govinda
गोविंदा नाम मेरा. नॉट अ गुड फिल्म.
But again,
Let's
he
let's
wasn't
cast
that
the
bad.
guy whose famous dialogue is ये दुख काहे खत्म नहीं होता.
And
वो पूरी जिंदगी वही रोल करेगा क्या साले?
And how's the
anti
Josh?
casting by अंतरिक्ष ठक्कर.
वो पूरी जिंदगी वही रोल पे अटके रहेगा क्या? Let
वैसे
him explore.
देखा जाए तो हम में से कोई विक्की कौशल को कुछ कह नहीं सकता. भाई ने कटरीना से शादी कर ली है. भाई जीत गया है लाइफ में. ठीक है.
वैसे तो सही
और
बात
मुझे
तो
और
सही है।
ऐसे तो यार हम किसी भी एक्टर को कुछ नहीं बोल
Oh yeah,
सकते.
correct. You met him, man.
Yeah, तो मुझे और इंटरव्यूज भी करने इसलिए मैं आया.
What does Vicky Kaushal like?
He is damn chill. मतलब मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू था वो.
Oh, wow.
And उसके बाद मैंने उसको बोला भी मैं क्या this was my first ever interview. I hope you liked it and we'll do more. कहता for sure brother. Like he spoke very nicely.
Oh, nice,
He
dude.
came on time. It was in the Maddock office.
wow.
It was for Chhawa.
अच्छा.
Feb last year.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
almost a year. Very sweet guy. I think अभी तक touchwood जितने लोग मिले sweet ही मिले मेरे को.
Now you know the formula to get a 600 crore film is get interviewed by Pulkit Kochhar.
Yes.
That's how you do it.
And then
guys.
Imran Hashmi did a movie with me which no one heard. Ground Zero interview.
Oh,
Bro,
sure.
I watched it by the way. Ground Zero देखी है मैंने.
Oh, you
I'm one of the 3 people that watched it.
Oh, nice.
Even I didn't. But,
See?
And the third was Imran Hashmi.
Third one is Imran Hashmi.
so he said 3 people and 2 are here.
Nice.
I
अरे
interviewed.
इंटरव्यू किया था
You know, that's the context.
हाँ.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. So again,
Audience mode में आ रही है अभी.
yeah. Vicky Kaushal, I think
So who's your other?
bang-in option, great option. Okay?
Yeah.
Second option is I am a mega die-hard fan of a movie called Phone Booth.
Yeah.
Okay, I love this movie
Fun
starring
movie.
Ishan Khattar and Siddhant Chaturvedi
Yeah.
with Katrina Kaif. I think Ishan Khattar would fucking nail this.
I
भाइयों
thought
में-
I thought of him as
भाइयों
well.
में दरार.
भाइयों में
एक सेकंड अगर आप ईशान खट्टर को अमर कास्ट कर रहे हो
He is very prem like.
तो हाँ ही इज अ वेरी प्रेम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन. Actually, I thought of Ishan Khattar as Prem with
Even
Shahid,
with-
but
Oh,
then
did
I
you?
was like,
Even
Oh,
Vicky,
Shahid
I can
हाँ.
Vicky I can imagine as prem. I would say more than.
हाँ मतलब वो
Is
दोनों ही ऑप्शन आपके थोड़े प्रेम टाइप्स हैं.
Please.
Shahid
take
and
note.
Ishan would be a good option.
है ना
That's what we
ये
think.
था मेरे पास बट फिर मैंने कहा बहुत ही राइट ऑन द टेबल हो जाएगा
So,
शाहिद और
the thing is, no, like I fucking loved Ishan in Phone Booth so much.
होम बाउंड देखी आपने?
Humor, yeah, I've heard he's great.
He's
I've not seen
hilarious in it.
it. Yes. Yeah. He's like, wow, going home. Ha, ha, ha. Hilarious.
This after the Oscar day.
Oh, bichare, they didn't get it. Oh,
Yeah, they are back home now.
They're back home now. Nice.
एयरपोर्ट पे ही थे जस्ट.
Nice. बेचारे.
पता है पिछले कुछ 3-4 एपिसोड्स में ना ये लाइक ये जानवी कपूर का मजाक उड़ाता है एंड अब्बास हर बारी उसका एक डिफेंस होता है उसकी फिल्म ना ऑस्कर गई हुई है.
अरे शॉर्टलिस्ट में थी भाई.
आज के बाद से नहीं हो पाएगा ये.
कांस में तो थी.
हाँ चलो ठीक सही.
Okay, so
Anyway, so who is we pick one?
Vicky Kaushal, Ishan Khattar. I would like to personally see I know it's not the more popular choice because I saw the reactions, but I would like to go with Ishan Khattar.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I guess up till now, Snail is winning.
अभी नवाज भाई का नाम
okay.
लेके आना तो
So, if you recall the plot of Andaz Apna Apna, it's Andaza nahi, Andaz Apna Apna.
There's backstory.
It starts from a small town, then they come to the
Yeah.
sea.
I'm
Yes,
telling you it's
yes.
नवाज
Here's the thing, okay.
बोल रहा हूँ भोपाल वापस लौट गए, हम तेरे गाली
नहीं,
चलने वाले।
इमरान lost there.
इंडिया में ना कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट बॉम्बे में कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट राइटर जैसे स्मॉल टाउन लिखता है ना राजकुमारों को एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है अरे स्मॉल टाउन.
Nice. Nice.
So then I was like, no wait, that's too obvious. I can't go with Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah.
What's the defining quality of Amar in Andaz Apna? वो थोड़ा सा हरामी है, ठीक है?
Yeah, 100%.
वो अच्छा है, दिल का अच्छा है, पर थोड़ा चूतिया बनाता है लोगों को. He's little bit हरामी. I'm like, who's the one Bollywood actor I think of? Like, he's smart, he's intelligent, he's handsome, but he's a little bit harami. I went with Gulshan Devaya.
Bro!
Damn.
That's a great one.
Great one.
That's a great one.
Think of
I think
Gulshan
Abbas
Devaya.
wins. Yeah, without doubt.
Trying to swindle his dad into like, आपके हाथ में बीड़ी नहीं, cigar है. You
Bro,
know, he
I
has
have-
that little.
Nice.
You say him in any role, I would like agree.
The thing, yeah, I have
He's
him.
too
I have
good.
him. I have him in my cast later.
Yeah,
I
that's
have
true.
Gulshan Devaya in my cast later. I'm very excited about that. I think
So-
that is
Spoiler.
a much better character.
Him in Hunter, him in
Hunter
Guns and
definitely.
Gulabs.
Yeah,
Bro,
you
even
know.
Kantara too, man. Even
Yeah,
his role
even
was kind of
Kantara
published
too.
only in Kantara too.
So that's the defining thing कि ये थोड़ा सा हरामी है, थोड़ा सा लोगों को I can totally see him do के एक चाय पीने से प्यार बढ़ता है, you know that kind of.
Hey,
Yeah.
वापस.
So and with the prem that I have cast, I think that Jodi will be very good. So Gulshan Devaya is my.
Nice.
Nice.
I quite like Gulshan.
even
थोड़ा
I
हटके
like
भी है, which I like.
हाँ,
which
मेरी
I
तो
like.
इंडी मूवी बनने
Yeah,
वाली
yeah.
है.
Nice, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Netflix.
आपको अंदाज अपना को कभी हिट नहीं करना है आप चाहते हो हिस्ट्री रिपीट करे
The way I look at it, I
Yeah.
think is that कि Andhra Brahma is now at this point such a popular movie कि हम किसी को भी कास्ट करें ना पिक्चर देखने लोग आ ही जाएंगे.
हाँ.
So I think in that regard we are pretty safe.
Yeah.
In that
बट देयर आर
या
आल्सो
तो-
चांसेस पीपल गेट ऑफेंडेड हाउ
Yeah, yeah,
या तो गाली
that's
देने
true.
आएंगे या तो
Yeah.
curiosity
But आएंगे,
आएंगे,
just
पर
to be
आएंगे.
curious.
बस कार्तिक आर्यन now because then we'll hate it. Everyone will hate it. Nobody wants that.
So yeah, I guess I won. Nobody has any.
But let's see. No, people in the audience also have to agree. A lot of people are
yeah,
saying
yeah.
no to your fuck you. Okay, let's see. The three people. Who do you think?
सबके
show us
वोट ले लो
first,
फटाफट.
now itself we.
Yeah, we'll get to the first round. Who do you think won this? Amar. No, you guys write it down. Write down. You can have your opinion influenced by
सबसे पूछ
someone
लो.
if you want.
चंद्रिका
Okay,
is
guys.
right. बाकी आप
ऐसे
बाकी
don't
पूछ सकते हो.
don't start rants and all. I mean, if you want to start like, yes, Snail. No, nobody wants.
or just say कि how many agree with ये and then
Gulshan.
Okay, जल्दी लिखो. लिख दिया? Sir, who do you think? Show
Who
us
do you
the
think won the round?
Show us the slate, you professor.
he's taking
Pulkit,
mine
okay.
Oh, Pulkit,
सही
okay, sorry.
बोला.
Pulkit.
ये
Pulkit.
आपका पर्सनल ओपिनियन है कि आपने सबसे पूछ लिया है?
यार यही है जज.
No, that's fine.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
So you think Imran Khan is the right option? Pulkit? Abbas, okay.
Gulshan Devaya.
Gulshan Devaya. Ma'am? Oh,
wow
damn it!
So then there's no.
So,
अच्छा,
guys,
win every round.
See, guys,
every
so-
time.
I will show you,
you.
guys, at this point in the episode, I will show you something amazing. Okay?
क्या भाई एक सेकंड क्या दिखा रहे हो?
रुकना भाई. So the thing is, okay, usually we just fight, okay, about
Yes.
this one's casting is good, this
Yes.
one's casting is good, Antariksh's casting sucks or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay,
Facts.
That,
but
yes.
we don't always have we don't always have something material to take home with us because of it. Until now. This is Mukesh. In case someone's wondering, this is Mukesh Chhabra.
Nice.
The biggest casting director right now in India, and whoever wins this gets to take home the most Mukesh ever crowned. Wow.
Bro, like imagine the importance
and
of
look
Mukesh.
creepy to all their guests in the house
Imagine
when they have this
आप मुकेश का ट्रेजेक्ट्री देख रहे हो
Yeah,
फ्रॉम
भाई.
गुटका टू अ प्राइज.
Yeah.
Add it to Snehal blackmail folder.
That's just a cover for on top. Okay, so you get it, the big one, most Mukesh ever.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
So that's what we are fighting for.
बॉर्डर
Got
टू भी
it.
इसी ने कास्ट करी ना.
So up till now, it is looking like right now it's at it's in the
Nehal
middle.
hates him already
Yes.
नहीं आए भाई
यार,
नाम दिला दे तो सब
अभी तू या मैं भी इसी ने कास्ट किया है.
हाँ
वो शनाया
दोस्त तो उसने गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर की है let's
Yes,
let's stop the
he's
debate
done everything.
Dhurandhar also.
Dhurandhar,
right?
yeah,
Dhurandhar
he's-
also, yeah.
Yeah, what a casting director, dude. Okay, are you new? You guys are new? Okay, great. Nice. What's your name, ma'am? Chandrika and? Chandrika and Rishad. Wow, yeah, this is a night of rare names. I like this.
Rishad had no idea who we were. He was
yeah,
searching what is happening downstairs.
He thought it was a sex comedy show. I'm not even kidding. He was looking at like, what is that other show you were looking at?
No. I was just confused between. The building has changed, right? It was.
Yeah,
Yes,
let's go with that. Yes, the building has changed.
Nice.
You were confused.
The sex show is the other building. Not
और
this
वैसा
one.
बीच में उठ के मत जाना लेकिन
Yeah. यार ये लोग sex कर ही नहीं रहा.
If you're confused, you're at the right show, sir. That's
Yes,
what I
yes,
want to
yes.
say. Yes.
What do you do, Manishad? You're a professor
Oh.
of?
Thanks for coming, Rishad. What do you teach?
Yeah.
Accounts.
Accounts.
Okay.
Okay.
हो
If
भाई
you-
बैड मेमोरीज ट्रिगर हो गई मेरी अचानक से
Dude, he'll tell us why our podcast is not making money.
Yeah, exactly. अगर
Like
आपने
that.
आपने ध्यान दिया होगा म्यूजिक के बीच बीच में एड्स बज रहे थे तो हमारे पास YouTube प्रीमियम के भी पैसे नहीं है.
Ah, bro,
So
that's
yeah. Shaving ke. Oh.
Wow,
he's familiar
what the
within
fuck,
2
dude?
lines. He's like, let's roast people now. Let's roast these podcasters who I don't even know about.
Sir, you don't know. He doesn't have money about shaving. Okay. There's some parts of the body which can still
Wow,
be
this
shaved.
is downhill 3 minutes into the show. Nice.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. Sex show. There is a sex show. See, yeah. Full circle.
we are meeting you midway
Yeah. Nice.
थोड़ा सा पिक्चरों का बात करेंगे थोड़ा सा सेक्स का
So, dude, does everyone? Let's go. Let's change it up. You're starting with Abbas.
Okay, cool.
What do you think of Prem is?
my Amar was Gulshan
Gulshan
Devaya.
Yeah.
So keeping with the indie cred of my movie, my Prem is Adarsh Gaurav. I think that pairing of tall, short, harami, innocent. Not that the Adarsh Gaurav is completely.
एक सेकंड टॉल शॉट में उल्टा हो गया आपका
Height shaming.
टॉल शॉट उल्टा कर दिया आप
So Salman's whole thing, demeanor in Andaz Apna Apna was again he was this meek sort of
Yeah.
this thing. जिसको थोड़े से तुम उंगली कर दो ना तो वो अपने आप को बहुत
यही
brave
सोच
समझने
के
लगेगा.
मैंने बहुत बढ़िया कास्टिंग करी है
अच्छा, good to know.
But bro, that's what I'm saying. Adarsh looks like the kind of guy who, again, is not a follower. Dude. He looks like the kind of guy who is like, who has a stance on things.
If given that ungli, तू क्या कर रहा है यार मर्द बन, so then he'll be puffed up and be like,
दिल चाहता है, चल रही है।
दिल चाहता है, semi recasting. If you puff him up, he can be funny in that leadership role. Pulkit's not. Oh, you agree with me? हाँ.
No, he had a problem with your word.
I
puff.
think Gulshan Devaya and Adarsh, we saw them a little bit together in Guns and Gulabs.
Okay,
But I
yeah.
think ये
Yeah,
pairing है ना बहुत मस्त जाएगी.
बट हमने इसने अभी तक आदर्श गौरव ने आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी करी है कोई अभी तक
Not really. He was
नहीं
in
ना?
Hostel Days, the TVF show, which wasn't out and out comedy, but it had elements of comedy in
Yeah,
it.
I
So
ठीक है
I think given a chance, he will totally pull it
So
off.
again, like he's a fantastic actor and
हाँ,
he does
no doubt
everything
about
good. But I think like if you're going with Adarsh Gaurav, he would be better in Amar in my head.
Think of Gulshan Devaya and Adarsh Gaurav doing the scene in the bus के तू क्या करता है?
बट
And he's
भाई
like,
एक ही सीन नहीं है ना पूरी
साला
पिक्चर में
बंदर.
Yeah,
एक
but-
ही scene नहीं है, but that lays the foundation of who these two characters are. When I think of them going against each other.
Hell bent on making it Indian.
भाई तभी बुलाया भी आपको है कि नहीं यहाँ से कास्ट बता के नेटफ्लिक्स से सैंक्शन करा के सीधा ओटीटी
अगला एक्टर वो होगा जिसका डेब्यू हो रहा होगा
First time actor. Nice.
So yeah,
Okay.
that's my choice.
Can I
Prem.
just quickly say
Sure,
mine?
sure.
I think Veer Pahadiano runs away. Would be amazing.
भाई वो बेचारा एक ही पिक्चर के बाद
फ्लॉप हो गया बेचारा उसका
वो दिखा ही नहीं
या
भाई।
उसकी लड़की ने भी छोड़ दिया एपी ड्रोन के साथ चले गए उधर क्या क्या दिन चल रहे हैं सारे ओके आई थिंक अ परफेक्ट Salman is someone who has actually played Salman's character in other movies. Varun Dhawan. Epic. I think it's perfect.
आपका-
It cannot get
आपका
better.
अमर कौन था
मेरा विकी कौशल एंड ईशान खट्टर.
एक सेकंड ईशान खट्टर लीड कर रहा है आपकी पिक्चर और वरुण धवन फॉलो कर रहा है
वरुण धवन बड़ा भाई लगता है यार
This
उसका.
combo might not work, but if you go with Vicky Kaushal,
Now you're why you're flipping.
that's why do I have two options if I can't go back and forth?
ये क्या है?
आई फील जैसे मैं कह रहा था ना मुझे हमटी वगैरह में पसंद है बट व्हेनेवर ही ट्राइज टू डू द डेविड धवन कॉमेडी
Yeah,
वी हैव सीन ही इज नॉट
अभी कभी करने वाला है अगली पिक्चर में
Dude, हाँ करने
इसमें
वाला है
उसका रीमेक है चुनरी चुनरी का
चुनरी चुनरी
ओए क्या
Get
बात
ready.
कर रहे हो?
पूजा पूजा हेगड़े एंड
मृणाल ठाकुर
ये बीवी नंबर 1 कर रहे हैं वापस.
नो नो आई डोंट थिंक
अलग ही कुछ
फिल्म
नाम
का नाम वो है जो बीवी नंबर 1 का गाना है जवानी तो
है जवानी तो
इश्क
इश्क
होना
होना
है तो पॉसिबल वही होगा शायद
Okay, so I think, but Varun would actually be perfect for this.
Varun doing
with
Uima.
everything.
Uima.
Dude, of course,
Bro,
that
but
is his
वरुण-
personality by default.
भाई
No,
बट
bro.
वरुण धवन
Yes.
स्टैचर में ही अमर आएगा ना भाई
Dude,
Bro, वो सेकंड फिडल क्यों प्ले करेगा
वो
ईशान
जो
खट्टर
सीन
को?
तेरे को
why?
सीन याद है जहाँ उसको पता चलता है कि रवीना करिश्मानी एंड सलमान इज लाफिंग आउटसाइड थिंक ऑफ वरुण धवन will ham the shit out of that scene.
No, that, but
I'm like,
see,
oh,
part,
gee.
dude, पहली बात, Salman's acting in Andhadham Prabha is not amazing.
Please.
Okay,
Oh,
it's
hey,
a
oh,
very
please.
possible acting
You-
job.
You
It's
say
very
that for
possible.
any other film and not Andaz
No,
Apna
no,
Apna.
no, no, no.
बजरंगी
no.
भाईजान से
You are
बेटर
hurting the fans there.
No, I agree. I
इस
love
चीज
Andhadham
के ऊपर
Prabha
नहीं
too much.
बोलने का.
But I legit feel like so.
No.
Most
See-
people can do that role.
See,
And
Varun
Varun
Dhawan
would be
has
epic in it.
Varun Dhawan has attempted remakes of two 90s comedies, which is
Judwa and
Judwa
Coolie.
and Coolie Number One, and we have seen those.
But that's because it was
He rests
directed
his
by
case.
a dated director, you know.
We haven't casted the director yet.
Oh, we'll get to that. We'll get to
ये
that.
डायरेक्टर भी कास्ट करना था
Oh, we didn't think of
कर
it.
लेंगे।
but
कोई
we
नहीं
can.
करण जोहर ठीक है
But I think Varun Dhawan, firstly his body language, by default his character is that
Bro, but his character is not Salman. His character is more Amar. If you want
He's-
to cast Varun,
But
it
no,
has to be
he
Amar.
comes across as the ditzy, कुछ भी बोल देगा kind of guy. Anyway, dude, that's his personality.
I can imagine
वही तो
him-
बोलता है, this is a blowjob to your ego and all. कौन बोलता है वो? वैसे कोई
आयाज अपना अपना में
नहीं.
what version have you been
वो you watched
Andaz
the
Apna Apna was damn modern. I had no idea.
वो इतना desperately कोशिश कर रहा है इसको सेक्स शो बनाने के लिए
Yeah, bro.
ताकि
I want this
प्रोफेसर
guy to
हमारे
yeah, correct. Professor Saab should have
dopamine hit के लिए तो-
die for that buck.
ठीक
मैं बताऊं it's very hard to cast the actually we'll do the prem and then I'll
अरे मैं अभी आपका
हाँ भाई.
भाई जल्दी करो भाई.
Segways
Chandrika
हमारी.
is looking to leave so
सही
yeah
बात है सही बात है
Yeah.
Yeah, जल्दी करो.
बाकी
Let's-
कैरेक्टर फटाफट
So,
निकाल लेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट
प्रेम,
नहीं
हाँ।
होते
Wow.
David Dhawan नहीं, Varun Dhawan हाँ
प्रेम
Okay, mine is.
अरे अभी तो फोन निकाल के देखा था
Sorry, मैं कुछ और सोचने लग गया
इतना
था.
यादगार एक्टर कौन है
So mine is Kunal Khemu. Simply because he can nail any comedy
Kunal
character.
Khemu है?
Kunal
No,
Khemu
not
है.
bad,
Khan
not
is
bad,
Kunal
not
Khemu.
bad, not bad.
Madgaon Express 2
Because imagine him in that orange eating scene, dude. Like his comic timing from the dialogue delivery till his facial expressions. In fact, I would even say if anyone has to like direct Andaz Apna Apna, and I loved Madgaon.
Oh, I did love
Like
Kunal
for a
Khemu,
Gen Z
yeah.
Andaz Apna Apna,
Great
Kunal Khemu would be a great
कुणाल
director
खेमू को
also.
आप शिफ्ट करके डायरेक्टर में डाल दो
दोनों कर सकता है वो.
हाँ प्रेम वाला मेरा कास्टिंग
नहीं दोनों कर सकता है
No,
वो.
but you're right. Kunal Khemu.
Kunal
Khemu
Khemu
is a good one. Yes,
would
no
be great in this. I was even thinking Amar, but na I remember I think Ritesh Deshmukh said this somewhere कि it looks like Prem's role is थोड़ा easy to do, but to play a buffoon is not as easy on screen because he can be like this any moment, but he's always like potential दिख रहा है तुम्हें कि यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है,
Yeah,
but
sure.
नहीं तू बोल दे so वो जो I think Kunal Khemu थोड़ा सा है like he has written dialogues of Go Goa Gone.
Yes.
So he will improvise well also
Correct.
on the sets. So I feel Kunal Khemu.
और जो मैंने बोला था वो भी बोलते ठीक है गाइस तो माय प्रेम टू रिमाइंड यू माय अमर वाज शाहिद एंड माय प्रेम जो भी इन लोगों ने सबने एक्सप्लेन किया सब में फिट करने वाला राघव जुयाल ब्रो वो एकदम फिट बैठता है प्रेम के पूरे
I have
कैरेक्टर में
Raghav in
आउट
something
एंड आउट
else.
राघव जुयाल
I think
You do have Raghavan Samas?
I have
out and out Raghav
Raghav in
Jual.
something else. Yeah.
I think yeah, quite nice.
भाई वो सब मतलब
तेरे को ब्लॉकबस्टर बनानी थी ना
भाई बिल्कुल ब्लॉकबस्टर भाई राघव
Bro,
जुयाल
right
के
now तो बहुत
stakes
hype है.
कितने आए हैं भाई?
Bags.
क्या
अभी तो
बात
बहुत
कर
hype
रहे
है,
हो?
बहुत
भाई
hype है अभी.
बैग्स की पार्टी पे जब मैं गया था तो
हम्बल ब्रैग
Yeah, bro.
हम्बल ब्रैक की टिकट खरीद के गया मेरे को कौन सा इनवाइट किया था बट जब बाहर भाई सबसे ज्यादा शोर राघव जुयाल के आने पे मचा था
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
सबसे ज्यादा शोर क्योंकि ये अपना आर्यन खान वगैरह तो पीछे से ही आ गए थे
हाँ.
वो भाई अपना प्रॉपर आए और सारे पैप्स उस पे चिल्ला रहे हैं मतलब उसके लिए चिल्ला रहे हैं और सारी ऑडियंस सारे लोग उसके लिए चिल्ला रहे हैं ब्रो नहीं एंड अभी उसने रिसेंटली राघव जुयाल ने बोला कि भाई अब से मैं साइड कैरेक्टर नहीं करूंगा अब से मैं मेन ही करूंगा. एंड आई थिंक शाहिद कपूर और राघव जुयाल का कॉमिक टाइमिंग आपस में बहुत बढ़ जाएगा. इनफैक्ट जो ऑरेंज वाला सीन है वो भी उसको माइंड में अगर आप रखो, राघव जुयाल एस कर देगा वो.
मैं आपसे कुछ
I
दिल की
feel
बात कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं I feel mine would be better in that film. Very frankly.
जब को आती.
Maybe she's saying Shahid and Kunal Kemu.
चलो ठीक है, हम
But
बांट
one man is not the audience. There are more people.
I mean eventual vote देखते हैं, but हाँ.
I think Varun Dhawan would ace it actually.
Okay,
He's
cool.
meant to. He's born to play this
So
role.
let's score.
Born to play.
Let's
our
go to the
choices.
Let's go
audience.
quickly.
Let's vote.
Yeah, quickly. Tell us quickly.
Audience critics.
He's zoned out.
I'm also confused, but I think I'll still.
वाह.
What is this?
मैं बोला ना उसको एक ही नाम याद
हाँ,
है.
उसका- really good. भाई स्नेहिल अब्बास अंतरिक्ष.
लाइक अंतरिक्ष अब्बास अकाउंट्स का फेलियर है.
Varun Dhawan. What? Yes. What do you mean what? Don't be that surprised. Yeah, that could also be a good one for him. Yeah, actually, not bad.
You're
Ma'am,
the one who watch मैं तेरा hero reruns. I know that.
ma'am,
Yeah.
Nice, चलो.
nice.
I guess.
मतलब first,
Sure, yeah, why not?
First was equal.
फर्स्ट
Now
वाज
I won.
इक्वल, तीनों का एक एक था.
yeah, fair enough.
नाइस.
Okay.
ठीक है, let's go. Next one. We are now going with Karishma and Ravina. Okay, now we have to rush through these.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Because
Not like female characters are important in this film. No, of course. Yeah, we'll rush through them. No worries.
Not. Snail said it.
Okay.
अरे
We
joke
just
है.
thought it.
In this movie, they are
You have
actually
to-
not. Yeah.
You have to clear कि करिश्मा कपूर
हाँ,
या फिर
भाई मैं
करिश्मा-
ब्रैकेट
No,
में लिखा हूँ करिश्मा.
Okay, I'm gonna say mine first because I'm sure it cannot get better because of the reason I have.
Okay,
Okay.
ठीक है.
This is amazing. My Ravina, wait for it. Wait for my Ravina.
second,
Tandon.
Ravina Tandon
Ravina
या
Tandon,
character
IRL
है?
Ravina
No.
Tandon.
Again, the one who's introduced as Ravina. The Ravina who's introduced as Ravina.
So Ravina
मतलब
Tandon,
Ravina
yeah.
Tandon.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna name that. So those my name Ravina first, Karishma second. Okay, my Ravina, wait for it.
Waiting.
Ananya Pandey, but wait. And my Karishma is
Waited
Shania
enough.
Kapoor. My Shania. Why? Now why? The added joke is they both sound exactly the same to each other. तो जब वो confusion होता है कि रवीना कौन करिश्मा कौन, like हाँ actually I can't understand any of them.
Just to say that line. Just to say that line, you
Exactly, dude. It makes
messed up the
perfect
cast.
sense.
Wait, half an
Perfect
hour.
sense. It makes perfect sense. I think I've nailed it.
Okay, so my Ravina
Ananya
is also
Shania.
Ananya Kapoor.
What?
So yeah.
Ananya
Ananya
आपने
Pandey, sorry.
सोचा ही नहीं.
Ananya
आपने जानवी तो नहीं लिख दिया.
नहीं.
हाँ फिर ठीक है.
अच्छा, you tell. अच्छा, yours is Ravina is Ananya.
Ananya Pandey, the rich, spoiled
Okay,
one.
and Karishma?
And Karishma is Sania Malhotra.
रवीना
नहीं,
टंडन.
like let's
रवीना
do how
टंडन.
they are introduced.
Yeah.
Ravina Tandon as
जो
Ravina.
पहले रवीना थी वो रवीना की जो बाद में
नहीं,
दूसरा
जो
वो
पहले रवीना थी वो रवीना.
हाँ
I love how ये जोक फिल्म में भी था, ये जोक आज भी है.
ये
पर
never.
ये actual confusion है.
So my pairing would be Gulshan Devaya and Ananya Pandey and
भाई वो पापा ना बुला लो उसको भाई. कैसी बातें कर रहे हो भाई.
and Adarsh Gaurav and Sana Malhotra. So the thing is,
नहीं मिलेगा
doesn't
Netflix
work.
का.
The parents don't work at
the
all.
comedic timing in this movie is only Karishma Kapoor. Okay, Ravina Tandon doesn't do much comedy.
Okay.
Karishma Kapoor is the one who's doing the, the head tilt and the high pitched voice thing. So I was like, who could I? And I could just think of Sania Malhotra as a little bit of comedic timing. So yeah.
Vanilla piece of shit.
I don't think it's very
Who's
the
very
pairing-
out there, bro?
and also
ये
your
like
pairings
the
don't work
first
at all.
thought.
Yeah,
It was a
Gulshan-
first thought.
It-
Yeah.
it is a first
बात
thought.
सुट्टा पीते
आप
पीते
बताओ.
मैंने सोचा है.
Okay.
Best वाली end में आप बता दो.
अच्छा Ravina Tandon for me is Vamika Gabbi and Karishma Kapoor's character is Shehnaz Gill.
हैं?
Bro, Shehnaz Gill.
हैं? Bro, that's equivalent to Rebel Kid as Hema Malini. Wow, he's dissing. Wow,
Nice.
what the fuck, dude? Bro,
Bro,
the
एक
hell?
second, एक second.
Bro sacrificed himself for that joke.
Bro, एक second. Shehnaz Gill ऐसे कैसे उसे
हाँ,
हैप्पी
यही,
लकी
वही।
टाइप रोल करती रहती है और वो बिग बॉस में देखा आपने उसको इधर उधर से फुदकती ही रहती है जैसे वो करिश्मा कपूर कर रही
Bro, what else have you seen her do? Even a minuscule amount
Where
of
did
good
she
acting.
act, though?
Exactly. What are you talking about?
चांस देंगे ना
I think
अपन।
एक
और
movie
किसी
आई
का भाई
थी।
किसी की जान
I think
किसी
no,
का
no,
भाई
no,
किसी की जान
में थी वो।
Your favorite
But
movie of
उसको-
2023 of
उसको-
course.
भाई बट जेन्युइनली वेरी वेरी गुड मूवी
Fuck off, ये भी गाना हुआ है
वेरी गुड मूवी का एक्सपीरियंस लोग
भाई,
शॉट
ये
उतार
गधा।
उतार के फेंक रहे थे,
किसी का
मजा
भाई
आ गया।
किसी की
तूने
जान
जी
में
शर्मा देखी,
वो
तुमको
हर
पता
एक्टर
होगा।
के लिए लगा सकते हैं व्हेन डिड दे एक्ट दो
She was in another movie. It was yeah.
ओ ये नहीं देखी
Oh, another
वीरे
flop.
दी
Okay,
wedding
nice.
जैसा ही है।
ये नहीं देखी मैंने।
Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But
अरे थैंक यू फॉर वेडिंग थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग के वही प्रमोशन आते हैं ना बिफोर द मूवी के आप चुप हो जाओ बात मत करना
अच्छा
वैसा।
और कोई नहीं सुनता और सब बोलते हैं।
अभी तक आ रहे होंगे प्रमोशन हाँ बोलो।
बट चलो ठीक है वामिका का भी तो ठीक है वामिका का भी तो सबका एग्रीमेंट है बाकी मेरे को लगता है शहनाज
भाई,
भी
शहनाज-
सही कर सकती
I
है
think Shahnaaz-
for Ravina's role you just need a pretty face
वामिका का भी
yeah that's what I'm saying so you
तो फिर
cast
आपने
any
अनन्या को
pretty
क्यों
face
cast किया? Sorry.
because I'm like rich pretty face
ओके चलो should I go?
Nice Nihil, I like what you try to do, but no takers at all.
कोई मैंने माइक ही हटा दिया
Nice, nice.
Okay, Karishma is Shraddha Kapoor for me. Just because she has that of Ravina Tandon, that charm, like at least for the
करिश्मा
this
की
gender- Ravina, sorry.
हाँ.
Ravina is Shraddha Kapoor. ये मैं कंफ्यूज कर रहा हूँ कि मैंने नाम वैसे लिखे हैं जो उनके ओरिजिनल नाम है सॉरी
तो रवीना
करिश्मा
is-
कपूर
Yeah.
फॉर मी इज आलिया भट्ट I'll tell you why. Have you seen her comic timing in those Make My Trip ads?
Actually, yeah.
And also Humpty and all those. Like she's like imagine her doing this.
gully boy also
Like with yeah. So
बट
ये wrong number क्यों लग रहा है?
यार वो ऐसा मतलब जंपी कॉमेडी तो नहीं
कर लेगी
मतलब कर तो
आलिया
लेगी,
can
आलिया
do
भट्ट है,
anything.
वो मतलब
yeah.
my only thing is will she do such a small role
Bro, that's not on us.
If we tell her it's अंदाज अपना अपना she
Bro,
will do.
exactly. Because
But
our
then the
job is to
condition would be
pitch.
कि संजय लीला बंसाली बनाएगा और फिर वो 3 साल बनाता ही रहेगा
हजाम की दुकान इतनी opulent झूमर लगे होंगे
Have you
उसके
guys seen this thing? This is the latest.
Love war and comedy.
The latest trend right now on Reddit is celebrities who are coming forth and saying good things about Dhurandhar. They
Yeah.
go viral. Or celebrities who have come forth and started saying good things about Yami Gautam's Haq.
या
And they start going viral. अभी आलिया भट्ट का देखा तूने?
सेम प्रोड्यूसर ना धुरंधर एंड
हाँ वही
They
तो now
started
people are
going
saying
viral isn't
so
कि
as in
मतलब
like,
लोग
कि
बेसिकली
लोग
कह
are
रहे हैं
like
कि अब
हाँ,
तुम काम मांग रहे हो
हाँ exactly people are like so
हाँ.
people like pointedly pointing it out saying कि oh they are only saying nice things
are you
about
saying
Haq.
people in Bollywood are opportunistic is that
Yeah,
what
how
you're
dare
saying
I? Yeah,
Antariksha?
correct. That's what I'm saying.
बट टू मच स्क्रूटिनी भाई लोगों को
Too much
एक्चुअल
scrutiny.
पसंद भी तो आ सकता है कुछ
Actually.
हाँ मतलब
Why
हो
not?
सकता है कि 3
That's
हफ्ते
right.
लगे पसंद आने में
That's-
बट आ सकता है
ओटीटी
it's
पे
fine.
आई ना
I
अभी
mean,
हाँ.
yeah, it's fair. That's
नहीं,
fair.
नहीं,
okay so again let's recap
मुझे इंटरव्यू करने दोस्तों
और हमारे पॉडकास्ट में कोई कभी नहीं आ रहा
पुलकित पूरी मेहनत करके सारे जोक्स मारने के बाद एंड में ये बोल देता है कि मुझे इंटरव्यू करना है
नो इसलिए मैं ज्यादा डिस नहीं कर सकता
देखो शहनाज गिल के साथ तो नहीं मिल रहा है
तो इसलिए कर दिया मैंने तो इसलिए मुझे सिर्फ एक्टर्स को इंटरव्यू करना है But who knows she does a good role later
maybe probably
Yeah.
yeah anyway
Okay, anyway, so let's recapping.
इसी
my-
में इसी पिक्चर में करेगी भाई
मे बी द सीक्वल ऑफ किसी का भाई
किसी
किसी की जान किसी का भाई
ओके चलो
So-
अच्छा वोटिंग
हाँ quickly voting for Ravina Karishma दोनों साथ में दे दो. Do you guys remember who?
लेट मी गेस पुलकित
So mine was Ravina Karishma in that order were Ananya and Shanaya. Ananya Pandey, Shanaya Kapoor.
अनन्या पांडे एंड सानिया मल्होत्रा
हाँ.
वामिका गबी एंड शहनाज गिल
श्रद्धा भूल ही
ब्रो वामिका गबी के लिए तो जीत सकता हूँ
No chance, no chance.
ये
हाफ पॉइंट थोड़ी देना है श्रद्धा एंड आलिया
हाफ
श्रद्धा and आलिया.
पॉइंट सिर्फ स्ने लिख देना
Because of Shahnaz Gill, your entire movie is gone. भाई, sorry भाई. It लोग रोज कर रहे थे ऑडियंस
अरे
में.
वो बात थी
Okay, yeah, sir, what do you say? What? Shah. Hey, let's go.
अरे भाई
Let's
फिर
go.
चश्मे का
How
नंबर
much did you
बढ़वा ले
pay?
पहले फिर
Dude, I don't know.
Did you
Rishabh
see it?
is good
कुछ
man.
setting करा
Good
के
man,
आया
good
क्या?
man.
He voted last also अंतरिक्ष
Yeah.
Save me. Solo 6 save, dude. What are you saying? What?
अब बोल किसका नाम याद है
ब्रो द थिंग इज अंतरिक्ष को खुद ही बिलीव नहीं हो रहा
I'm so not used to this.
अंतरिक्ष ने ऐसे हाथ
I
धोते
win
हुए
everything.
सोचा था, क्या बोलूं
भाई क्या मस्त मस्त.
okay
यस पुलकित बोला किसी ने
Ma'am, there is Pulkit. No, what ma'am say?
सब बेकार
Sit.
Me,
Sit.
me. She said a bus.
Damn it. Chalo,
Yeah.
mera half point then
No,
for
no,
me.
no, what did-
Half point
Now
for
they
me.
are being methodical. Like,
Yeah,
who? Yeah.
She
They're
said a
being
bus.
methodical now.
Half point for her?
Sania Malhotra.
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है
Yeah.
I
भाई,
don't say
तू
any
तो
bad-
गुस्सा हो ही
हाँ,
मत इस
वही
राउंड
बात
के लिए तो
मैं गुस्सा कहाँ हो रहा
तू
हूँ
तो बोल ही
शहनाज
मत।
गिल बोल के जो तुमने माइक ड्रॉप किया था।
भाई शहनाज गिल
एकदम
बहुत सही
सरप्राइज
casting
श्रद्धा
थी।
आलिया के लिए कोई टेकर्स नहीं है
Yeah.
लाइक बॉक्स ऑफिस सेज अदरवाइज
Yeah. Dude, but I must say about Pulkit, I like that you've given this a lot of thought. You've given each of these.
पूरा ऑटो में सोचा
I like
भाई
it.
थॉट तो मैंने भी दिया है
I thought तो हमने भी दिया है. But like हम तीनों से expected है ना. The guest, how much can we expect?
पर थॉट
You know, how much can we expect? So nice, dude. Thank you so much for doing this also, firstly. But nice.
चलो।
ठीक है. Let's go now. We have to really rush through these.
ठीक है।
For everything.
आई नेवर इमेजिन कि मुझे इमरान के लिए वोट मिलेगा
Yeah.
श्रद्धा और
Yeah.
आलिया
I'm
के लिए
still
नहीं
shocked,
मिला।
but okay, चलो
So the way you said through picturized,
yes thank you that Nusrat analogy I think failed
भाई एक्चुअली
the AIB humor is
भाई एक्चुअली नुसरत का रीसेंट गाना जुबिन नौटियाल ने गाया ना
तो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता कोई भी रीमेक संग बाय जुबिन नौटियाल his original
जुबिन
songs I
नौटियाल
prefer
का भी इंटरव्यू कैंसिल।
no I prefer his original songs मतलब
Yeah.
Say good save. I prefer his original.
कॉन्सर्ट में
song.
अगर बैठ जाते तो शायद
Let's Pulkit try to interview Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan.
too late okay
Too late. All right.
Teja?
Next Teja Ramgopal Bajaj.
Yeah, sure.
ओके ठीक है
okay
Let's
एक
go
एक
Sal
एक करके
Pulkit.
करिए थोड़ा फिर वैसे
Let's start Pulkit. Yeah. Let's see.
Okay,
Teja.
Ramgopal.
Oh, same actor, no? Yeah.
हाँ अच्छा दोनों
Teja Ramgopal. Right?
बस एक मार्क का फर्क है
ये वाली स्क्रिप्ट में अलग दिखते हैं
Oh,
no no
Oh, अच्छा.
My vote is Prakash Raj because the way he is a villain and a comedic villain at the same
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
We have seen Wanted and Singham
Yeah.
and little bit in Dabang 2 also.
Yes.
He was a comedic villain.
Yes.
So I can imagine him. Plus I miss him after those 3 movies. He hasn't done.
He
हाँ,
did.
because-
He did. तेरे इश्क में.
भाई क्योंकि वो
I also-
इंटरव्यूज देने लग गया ना फिर बाद में
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
वो सच
problem
बोलने
हो
लग गया ट्विटर पे.
वही एग्जैक्टली
Bro, by the way,
स्पीचेस देने लग गया
he had a smallish role in तेरे इश्क में, but
Oh bro,
very
I
good role.
cried.
Very good.
He's
He
the
was
spirit,
his.
आज आ गई हो Netflix पे. Nobody is paying me for this. But
You cried in. You liked
ब्रो
the
यू
movie?
लाइक तेरे इश्क में
तेरे इश्क में का second half please देखो. Have you watched?
Yeah. We hated it.
Bro,
Horrible.
I'll tell you. He told you the whole story,
Yes.
but you didn't watch it.
That's
the
why.
difference.
That's why
No, but Prakash Raj's parts.
हाँ प्रकाश
He's
राज
very
is
good.
No,
good,
that's
yeah.
what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah,
That,
yeah, yeah.
And
He's
when
very good.
Avara Angara plays after his beep,
Yeah.
and then yeah.
भाई बीप मत बोलो बहुत गलत सा लाइक आफ्टर हिज बीप
After his D-E-A-T-H.
K word,
क्या बात है,
not K word, but yeah.
Anyway, so
Unalive is what YouTube
No, but
likes.
no, but he's doing all these emotional roles. I
Yes,
miss
yeah,
him in
sure.
those comedy and villain at the same time. Very less people do it now.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's what made Masi movies better also. Like I was saying, abhi
You mean
Singham
Vikrant Massi's movies? Made them better? Oh, okay.
No, now no chance. So जैसे अभी मैं सिंघम इतनी आ चुकी हैं, मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर मुझे सिंघम के लिए मैं एक्साइटेड दोबारा हो सकता हूँ if they make him alive again after like if he comes back in a Singham 5 imagine I'll go like Prakash Raj if he comes back.
Yeah, okay.
और इससे ज्यादा इलॉजिकल चीजें हो चुकी हैं फिल्मों में.
For sure.
टाइगर श्रॉफ कास्ट हो गया है
इवन सिंघम यूनिवर्स में चीजें हो चुकी
वही
हैं.
उसी बात कर रहा हूँ
I mean, it's fair enough. Prakash Raj would work. Fair enough.
नहीं हाँ
But not as good.
प्रकाश राज वुड नहीं
I want to go last for this one. Someone else go. Yeah.
So I've gone again for a choice which is probably a little too direct. I've gone for Pankaj Tripathi. Yeah.
Safe,
Someone who
but that's a very safe choice. Gotta say.
Yeah, someone who can play a gunda also, someone who can play a posh
लाइक
dad
अ क्यूट
also.
क्यूट गुंडा
Cute gunda and a posh dad also.
मिर्जापुर एंड बरेली की बर्फ.
कंबाइंड
The other name on
Why
my
am I
list.
helping him? No.
The other name on my list was Vijay Raj, but then I didn't know Vijay Raj can pull off the dad
rich
part,
guy.
the
The rich
rich
one.
dad. So yeah.
The thing is, Pankaj Tripathi,
Yeah.
feels like such a vanilla answer.
But then that only means you see him instantly in that role, right? The moment I name him, you're like, yeah.
I mean,
that
yeah,
makes sense.
you can't really have a problem with Pankaj Tripathi in anything.
yeah you
Yeah,
cannot have a
exactly.
problem
Which is
What's
why
the
I went for
problem?
him.
it's like
He's
saying
too
अमिताभ
sweet.
बच्चन
Yeah, dude.
like you win
But I didn't. I went for Pankaj.
Oh shit. Well, yeah, I forget only कि अमिताभ बच्चन को भी हम कास्ट कर सकते हैं वैसे तो कहीं तो.
भाई हमारी
But he
मेरा
has
अमर
been in
अमर
movies
मेरा
before
अमर
that.
वो बियॉन्ड है वो बियॉन्ड अमिताभ बच्चन बियॉन्ड पहुंच चुके हैं
Yeah.
हमसे अब
Okay.
आजा यू वांट टू गो
I wanna go
लास्ट
last,
ठीक है सो माय राम गोपाल बजाज एंड श्याम गोपाल बजाज इज
Ram Gopal Bajaj?
KK Menon.
Nice.
ब्रो केके मेनन का आपने फर्जी में जो उसने वो एक विलन स्लैश कॉमेडी वाला
जो हम
रोल
बात
पकड़ा
कर
है
रहे थे, हाँ।
ब्रो एस कर देगा एस कर देगा
Even in Honeymoon Travels, he is very funny.
Yeah,
very
he
wants
would
to be
be
funny, he
very
can be
good.
very
He
funny.
would be very good.
That's right.
He can very well play the
Wait,
rich.
so who is he playing a dad of? Shahnaz Gill. And
Bro,
Ramika
crazy.
Kabul.
See, again, comedy
They
right
look
there.
exactly like each other.
Comedy right there.
तुम पक्का अपनी माँ पे गई हो ना? 3 Idiots like.
But yeah, KK Menon for तेजा. Like imagine कितना फन लगेगा.
ये
KK Menon
तेजा
कह रहा
क्या
है
है?
मार किधर है? तेजा मैं हूँ मार किधर है? Bro, ace. नहीं.
मतलब it
आज
can
के
be
सामने
better.
नहीं, बाकी ठीक है.
Can get better. Actually, from the 3 that have been revealed up till now, I think Prakash Raj is the better option. I would say.
Let's count
But
his
not
vote.
not as good. Not as
So should
good.
we skip your? Okay.
Not as good as what I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Again, 2 options. Both amazing options this time though.
अंतरिक्ष बिल्डअप मत किया कर.
Both amazing, the best options.
बिल्डअप के बाद
भाई,
अनन्या बोलता तो
और
शनाया
फिर वरुण बोलते तो
I
और फिर
won
वो
that
vote भी कर
round.
देता
I
है.
won that round, dude. I won that. Multiple people. Okay.
True.
So,
Okay.
first option
Yeah.
is this is an actor who historically, like a lot of his roles have been the stoic, either father or stoic inspector or stoic this, stoic that. But then his off-screen personality, we know him to be, hey, bro, Jackie Shroff. Would be epic. Would be great as the patriarch of that family, and also as Teja, who is trying to kill his thing. He also wears that scarf, that gunde wala scarf.
But if you
know?
watch Andaz Apna Apna, there are not enough trees in the movie. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
not
bro,
sure if
also
he'll agree.
Not enough masalas and all to be mixed
Bro,
together.
he'll carry one na here.
Yeah. True. And everyone in the cast.
Yeah. So that was option 1. Great already. Okay, but I thought like let's go a little more hatke.
Okay.
Let's go a little more hatke.
Okay.
And why not do a little gender bender?
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where you
Matriarch
Mother.
make it the female.
Teji.
बच्चन.
Teji Bachchan.
अभी तो आप कह रहे थे हमें तापा के कहा.
Tejaswini is
yeah.
closest strikers.
Dude, Ram Gopal Bajaj as a female.
Bro, why don't you give a female name first?
Rukmini Gopal Bajaj.
Okay.
And Sukhmini Gopal Bajaj would be Teja. Whatever. Wow, you said nice? I just so straight out of my ass I was doing Ram Gopal Bajaj female would be great. Is Ratna Patak Shah. Would play it epically. Okay? Again, all the characteristics work in favor of her as the stoic, the serious, you know, काम से काम करने वाली, punctual, everything needs to happen at that exact moment that needs to happen at.
मुझे अंतरिक्ष की ट्रिक समझ गई है, देखा है.
हाँ बोला.
तो वो 2 नाम लेता है, देखता है किस पे बेटर रिएक्ट करना है. तो बोलता है मेरा वो फाइनल है. हाँ.
Ratna Patak Shah is final, guys. You get it. Good observation also. I like it. So yeah, I would say Ratna Patak Shah, both I know are epic options, but Ratna Patak Shah because it's
आपको
थोड़ा
पता
बहुत
है
हटके.
अभी जैकी श्रॉफ ने फादर प्ले किया है बड़ी रीसेंट एक फिल्म में.
बहुत.
See,
तो
now you
मेरा
have to
तेरी
go with
तरह-
Ratna Patak Shah.
So, yeah, for sure. But also Jackie has done so many roles.
Yeah.
हाँ, of course.
And also he wasn't the bad part of the movie. The other main leads are the bad part. Yeah, तू मेरी मेहतर. तूने देखी तू मेरी मेहतर.
नहीं.
Oh, good for you, man. Good for you. You
I
left
only
out.
watched तेरे इश्क में. No.
Wouldn't Supriya Patak be a better option than
Nope,
Ratna Patak?
Ratna Patak Shah. I said Ratna Patak Shah because I know she
Yeah,
can
I'm
rock
giving
it.
you an option.
What are you deaf, dude?
Cool, fine.
What do you guys think?
ठीक है.
So we'll just count it down again.
Which is your final? Ratna Patak.
Ratna Patak Shah. He's telling me that I'm his choice. Guys, thank you,
Okay.
Rishabh.
Thank you.
Nice, I like that. Yeah,
मेरा
nice,
वोट भी
nice.
प्रकाश राज को है actually.
Let's go. 2.
Nice.
But not better
He gets
than
my
Ratna
vision, dude.
Patak
He
Shah.
gets my vision.
Of course.
आपको थोड़ा इमेजिन बेटर करना
हाँ,
होगा.
Ratna Patak Shah as Teja would be great.
Teji, dude.
हाँ. He is great. He's good. Yeah.
Ma'am, Vandita.
It was so absurd. I was okay with it after a point.
Yeah, Antariksha again. Oh, how am I doing this?
Oh, wow.
My mind is blown.
Bro, even after
It's
that
great.
joke, you got 3 votes. That's a big
And one from a
achievement.
The owner, he
Very
got
sorry. Very sorry about that.
Ratna
Man,
Pataksha saved your ass in
man,
this round.
I can see one ma'am in the front row was very offended by
Even
that joke.
Ratna
I'm so sorry.
Pataksha-
Rightly so.
I'm so sorry.
Even
I'm
Ratna
so
Pataksha
sorry.
won't vote for you.
Yeah.
After that.
यार मेरे को क्या बुला दिया तुमने? What do you say?
Okay, should we do Gogo or
But thank you,
Robert
thank
and Bhalla?
पहले गोगो कर लेते हैं
Gogo is yeah. Let's go.
ठीक है.
You
Can I go first? I have
Please.
a wild swing for
Oh,
Crime
great,
Master
great,
Gogo.
great.
No, but again,
Paresh Rawal.
keeping with my indie cred.
नवाजुद्दीन
My Crime Master Gogo, ladies and gentlemen, is Jaideep Pahlawat.
ब्रो
I
ये
think
तेजा बन सकता था
that's a guy who needs to be given an out and out silly comedy role. For वो तूने गाना देखा था जो Jewel Thief?
हाँ जुल देव यस यस
गाने में क्या नाचा है वो?
बट क्राइम मास्टर को कहाँ नाचता है?
अरे बट वो fluid है. Like he has a cape flowing. He's हाँ.
एंड में नाचता ना सलमान के
वो
साथ
वैसा-
जो लड़ाई करते करते सलमान और उसकी लड़ाई होती
अरे
है
वैसा Bluetooth
एयर
वाली
फाइट
लड़ाई
होती है
होती
ना
है।
एयर फाइट
मैं जयदीप सोच रहा हूँ कौन सी सलमान मूवी में था। ठीक है सॉरी.
So I feel like दिखता भी है वो ऐसे dangerous गुंडा, but then also he has the
शक्ति
ability-
कपूर काफी dangerous
he has
दिख रहा
to-
था picture
but then he was known for being a villain, right? At that time. So you cast someone who is known for serious, partly villainous roles, and then you give
Even
them
Paresh Rawal
something.
used to do negative only before.
Exactly, yeah.
it
But
was
then
a
you
mix.
go full silly with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, गोटियां खेलूंगा.
Good, good, good
For
one.
me, Jaideep Alawat for me.
नाइस
Yeah. Prime
pretty
Minister
good
Gogo.
and the
Thank
thing
you.
is we have not seen Jaideep in that
In
role.
that
I
kind of a
definitely
role,
want to see
yes,
that.
yeah,
That is interesting
yeah.
for sure. I agree. Yes.
ये चीज आप शहनाज के लिए बोल सकते हो बट
But again, you want to see. You want to see.
Where did she act?
Want to see someone role. You want to go next?
Mine is Raghav Joyal. I'll tell you why. Because his last two great works were Kill as a villain
Yeah.
and great
Bads
comedy in Bads and a mix of both his Crime Master Gogo. So I feel like he'll also reinvent it. और वो अपने gags भी डालेगा and he's also
Bro,
very
yeah.
fluid.
Correct.
Across.
Bro,
If we are counting dance now.
I just had a visual in my head of Raghav climbing the stairs down and then falling. And then those guys going, Gogo ji, aapka ghagra. That'd be great, actually.
He would
dude.
even give a good
That's actually
comeback
great.
line to
Exactly.
that. Yeah,
Exactly right.
Damn
Exactly
funny.
right.
He would be
Yeah.
really good in it. I
Yeah.
feel.
Nice. Also, imagine Gogo going Imran Hashmi ek taraf, Akka Bollywood ek taraf. That's very, very nice, dude. Okay, again, two bang-in options are.
रुक जाओ पहले मैं बता देता
बता
हूँ
दे
फिर
भाई।
आप अपना
बता दे।
बिल्डअप के
अपने
साथ
अपने थ्रो में बता दे तू, बता दे।
दो तीन
बता दे,
चार
throw में-
ऑप्शन दे दो
throw में
आपको
बता
बात
दे।
नहीं मेरे उनसे रुक जाओ कहाँ गया भाई
वो तूने
अच्छा,
किया
ये
नहीं।
रहा, सॉरी ठीक है सो जैसे आपने मेट्रियार्क बनाया ना उसमें उसको
Oh,
did
हाँ,
you?
इसमें इसमें मैंने गोगो लड़की बना दी और मैंने प्रॉपर बैक स्टोरी
Crime
सोची भाई
mistress, crime mistress.
अरे मैंने सोचा था क्राइम मिस्ट्रेस पर मैंने कहा यार ये तो बहुत ही अब्बास थिंकिंग है
That's true. I do think of crime mistresses very often, yes.
I think the prime focus of this panel is to just roast.
Yeah, 100%, dude. 100%.
And then like movie भी recast कर लेंगे.
फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसको बनाया मैडम क्राइम मिनिस्टर
Nice, nice.
That's
Yeah,
great,
yeah,
actually.
yeah.
I
मैंने
like it,
उसको
I like
बनाया
it, I like
मैडम
it.
क्राइम
I
मिनिस्टर
like it.
और उसको मैंने बनाया मैडम क्राइम मिनिस्टर गोगो की जगह गागा ठीक है और
Oh, nice, dude. Again, I like
लेडी
this.
गागा ठीक है
Yeah, yeah,
एंड
yeah.
इसका बैक स्टोरी दिया कि वो लेडी गागा बहुत सुनती थी तो उसने बोला मैं गागा ठीक है
Okay, सो जाओ नहीं तो
So she thought
नहीं
of
तो गागा
committing crime.
नहीं तो गागा गागा गा देगी. Yes, correct.
अब आएगा कि क्राइम में क्यों है जैसे
मोगैम्बो की भतीजी.
हाँ वो मोगैम्बो का भतीजा था ये फूलन देवी की भतीजी है ठीक है एंड द एक्ट्रेस इज अब कितना होगा ना इतना बिल्डअप देने के बाद मैं हक दूं
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I was thinking
I'm
तुम्हारा
waiting.
इतना effort I hope casting में भी हो. जितना ना.
Yeah.
द एक्ट्रेस क्राइम मैडम क्राइम मिनिस्टर गागा इज जेमी लीवर गाइस ब्रो
No. रहने दे भाई, तू रहने दे.
यार तूने जैसे क्राइम मिनिस्टर बोला मैं कंगना को सोचने लगा कि तू कंगना को ही कास्ट करता है इसमें.
What you predicted कि तू हगेगा.
आई थिंक जेमी लीवर बहुत बढ़िया उसकी कॉमिक टाइमिंग है
Dude, of course,
बहुत-
nobody's
बहुत-
doubting her comic timing.
But I feel she'll try to mimic him.
Yeah, That
Mimic
is that
whom?
she'll be better as a mimic.
Shakti
if-
Kapoor.
mimicking Shakti
नहीं
Kapoor's
अभी
character.
तो मैं उसका पूरा कैरेक्टर को ही एक मतलब भतीजा
if
हटा के
she's Poolan Devi, तो then she'll be like ठेठ
हाँ,
चंबल
तो
वाली.
एग्जैक्टली कितना
No, man.
अरे
What are you saying?
तो फिर तूने कैरेक्टर ही बदल दिया पूरा.
हाँ
Also,
आपका कैरेक्टर ब्रीफ अच्छा था कास्टिंग
yeah, exactly, dude. The build-up was too good.
Netflix से
No way.
सुना हुआ है हमको.
See, also the thing is, right, Jamie, firstly, we don't know if she'll be good as an actor.
ब्रो अब वो
क्या?
शी इज एक्टेड
She
एंड
has?
शी इज एक्टेड वेल या
Where is she at?
अभी
बट
हाँ,
टू
कपिल
रिप्राइज
शर्मा
बट टू रिप्राइज एन आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर आई थिंक थोड़ा स्ट्रेच
भाई ट्रस्ट तो करो ट्रस्ट तो करके
Why?
देखो
But when there are better
मैं
options,
चाह के भी नहीं कर
अरे
सकता
इट्स
मुझे
नॉट
जीतना
इवन
है।
अबाउट बेटर ऑप्शंस
It
ऑल द
is.
ऑप्शंस जो आप लोग दे रहे हो वो वहीं पड़े हुए हैं ऑप्शंस कि
Bro,
हाँ ये रे
राघव
सोचिए
जोयल
Bro,
पढ़ा नहीं था भाई
please.
नो नो नो
हाँ.
अरे राघव जुयाल आई एग्री बट ऐसा
Bro, ऐसे तो तू बोल रहा है तेरे
ठीक है।
सारे हटके हैं तेरा
हाँ,
अमर प्रेम कौन था तेरा
भाई शायद
भाई
कपूर
तूने
राघव जुयाल
भाई तूने शहनाज गिल बोला
तो हटके ही तो है कम से कम चाहे खराब
चलो चलो
let's go.
Okay, what is this? Okay.
The problem is you've changed the character, so we can't envision her as
हाँ,
Gogo.
तो कुछ तो नया
It's a
करो ना यार,
completely-
2026
भाई that's
ही
what
इज सेइंग
चलो ठीक है, कोई बात
someone
नहीं।
else for that role you या फुकरे
Yeah, yeah,
फुकरे
much
villain।
better.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
well even audience is casting better than you.
Yeah,
तुझे शर्म करो।
next episode.
ठीक है सो गाइस रिचा चड्डा एक्चुअली
Okay. Okay, I'll go.
हो गया
हाँ.
2 की 3
पहले बता
25,
तेरा
23.
preference- पहले बता तेरा प्रेफरेंस पहला होगा या दूसरा
Okay, मेरा preference दूसरा होएगा because
ठीक है.
again that's the more हटके option. Okay? The first both are हटके होने. First हटके option.
ए पलटो मत
फर्स्ट
वो तो
फर्स्ट
हटके,
मानना
bro.
मत कोई
मान।
प्लीज इसका
हाँ, हटा ना बता
But
क्या है.
I think for Crime Master Gogo's character, Gulshan Devaya is who I had casted. Would be epic. He can play these off kilter, out of the box
That's
kind of
your
roles.
first
Stop
choice.
stealing
Great.
my Amar. हाँ.
That's your first
Great. Okay.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But
Now
guys,
the one you have to vote
Yeah.
for.
Yes. Guys,
Yeah.
Making
right
choice.
now this person is the most viral sensation in India.
That's never a
क्या
good
penguin?
reason,
No,
but- Okay.
he can
Basanti.
play any. I don't say any character. He can play any person imaginable.
ओ वरुण वो ग्रोवर
Sunil Grover
Sunil Grover.
as Crime Master Gogo.
Same mistake.
Done. Done. I got applause break. What? That is
भाई ये
crazy,
audience
dude.
खरीद सच बताओ तुम्हारी टिकटें इसने नहीं है ना
Crazy, dude. Nice, sir. Didi, I love you.
But
bro.
at this point,
Nice.
you would have cast Sunil Grover in anything.
That's what I'm saying. It would be epic and an added feature of this Sunil Grover character of Crime Master Gogo. in
हाँ
this.
इसमें मिमिक्री का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आप लोग को जेमी लीवर में था
Bro, वही
मेरे
तो
को है, मेरे को है।
Bro,
मेरे
but
को
see,
है।
this guy in this Crime Master Gogo, this guy will actually be breaking into impersonations of famous actors. Like what the genie in the animated Aladdin does. Like Robin Williams, he like.
That was animated, bro.
So that's what Sunil Grover is such. He's like AI, dude. That's what people are calling him. His
AI is not a compliment.
impersonation is so good. But that's what I'm saying. He is so good at this, at what he does. He'll be- exactly what I'm saying.
किसी
While
अगर अगर
being
अगर
Crime
अगर
Master
अगर
Gogo-
उसकी अमर की डेट्स नहीं है तो
हाँ, that's what.
Yeah, bro.
I was very
Amar,
tempted
yeah.
to cast him as
ये
Amar
बहुत
and
ही-
Prem.
वो अमर and
Producer
Prem
logic.
वही करता था भाई. Great.
Namaskar,
I think I nailed it. People are happy. I'm very happy. I like it. Sorry, madam.
Who was-
You are so disappointed with me right
Mine
now.
was Raghav Joyal, the best one.
Oh, you mean the not as good one?
Interesting.
बोल.
I think so far Gogo में हमारे creativity सबसे ज़्यादा निकल के आई है.
Yeah. I think creative character also ना.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Cool. Let's go for a vote.
Who you?
Mine was Jaideep Ahlawat.
Oh yeah. Okay, so yours Jaideep. Yours was
जेमी लीवर
Jamie Lee.
रिचा चड्डा
Okay, yeah, mine was Sunil Grover and
Mine was
राघव
Raghav
जोयल
Joyal.
Raghav Joyal. Let's see, sir.
ब्रो आई कांट बिलीव अभी तक के अपने जितने रिकास्ट एपिसोड्स करे हैं सब में सबसे ज्यादा खराब
see, the thing is-
बाय कंसेंसस हैज बीन अंतरिक्ष
I-
और आज
That's
हम
why
एक
they
लाइव
say-
करते हैं
That's
Brother,
why they say
brother.
don't read YouTube comments.
Brother, that's what I'm saying. That's what. Like, see, I think I very often have.
Okay,
very good
let's go to the
response.
next person.
But so
यूजुअली क्या
You guys
क्राइटेरिया
always-
रहता है यूजुअली क्या क्राइटेरिया रहता है
भाई एक्चुअली आज क्राइटेरिया हो गया कि सबकी टिकटें इसने दी हैं, बस
see, I'll tell you what I thought. Okay, when casting this one, I was like, see, my casting doesn't have to be just good casting on paper. It has to be a fan favorite by the audience, right? They have to like it.
अभी बोल.
So I was trying. Everything gets an applause break, but अभी तक मिला नहीं. This is the only one that
कोई
got.
बात नहीं,
Sadly,
कोई बात
but Antriksh and ma'am there. अबे यार कर दे रहा बकवास.
At this point,
Oh, I'm so sorry.
he's
But
not-
he's not there.
अरे मैंने बदल लिया था मैं.
No, that's your
Not
suggestion,
allowed.
bhai.
Yeah. He chooses himself.
Thank you. Pulkit.
Nice.
So you
Pulkit, so two
basically
Pulkits.
got one vote.
No, I
And you
thought,
gave a thank you speech.
I thought this guy was. I thought he said Antariksh.
Well, too bad.
I'm sorry, bro. I thought.
मैंने सोचा कास्ट करते वक्त.
Yeah. I thought he had voted for me in every round. I thought he just stuck with that, you know.
Okay, let's go to Robert and Balla.
Robert and Bhalla.
Oh,
I
मैंने
am
इसका
very
भी-
embarrassed about my
Wait,
choice.
I guess having a good time up till now. It's going great, right? It's going very fun. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
भाई the funny part is कि मैंने इसका भी full on बैक स्टोरी बनाया हुआ है. मैं फिर
Picture
से
ही बना लेने दे, अंदाज़
मैं
अपना
फिर
अपना
से
क्यों है?
कास्टिंग खराब कर दूंगा इसका.
पर बैक स्टोरी तो बना हुआ है ऑलरेडी. तेरे को क्या कर रहा है?
अरे मैं 2026 में बना रहा हूँ. आप लोग की तरह
Prime पे
कम
कर
क्रिएटिव
देना
नहीं हूँ मैं.
Prime तो एक्सरे फीचर नहीं होता है. ऐसे YouTube पे आप कोई फीचर डालो
Yes.
ताकि when you tell a choice.
Yeah, the backstory already
Back story
counts.
आनी
Yeah,
चाहिए.
yeah,
कि पहले वो देखे अरे क्या गंदा कास्टिंग, फिर वो पढ़े ओह दिस मेक सेंस.
So I have a great Bhalla. I have a decent.
आई हैव अ ग्रेट पापड़ी.
Great, bro. We can mix them together.
Not in Mumbai
Yeah.
though.
And he has dahi. dude. He has dahi.
What the fuck? Okay, who's going? Let's go with Pulkit.
Okay, Bhalla is. I think सबकी mid choices होने वाली हैं.
Oh no, I
बहुत
think I've nailed
Except
Bhalla.
mine. I have to show confidence so I win ना.
Yeah.
Bhalla is Boman Irani for me.
Oh.
Simply because एक तो height और जो it's like दूर से
Lurch.
देखे. No, I'll tell you
Lurch
because
from Amazon.
Bhalla actually was a like. हाँ अजीत सर ना, so it was a वो मिमिक्री ही कर रहे थे.
Yeah.
ओ इसमें सुनील ग्रोवर कास्ट करना चाहिए था.
He could do any mimicry.
I won that round. Let's
So-
not.
Sunil
so
Grover
I
and
feel-
No, I
Krishna.
didn't. Sorry.
So
Would have
because
been great.
Ajit was originally intimidating, Bhalla is funny.
Correct.
So you need to cast someone जो दूर से intimidating लगे because of their height and stature, which
Sure.
is Boman Irani. But we know how good he is with his comic punches.
Correct.
So him as Bhalla.
That's-
Robert as
Can't go wrong. again.
Kiku Sharda from FIR, not Kapil Sharma. If you have seen FIR, his comic timing
yeah,
FIR,
of course.
I feel he'll be great. Like गलती से mistake हो गया sir, that kind of, because FIR में he's playing a guy जो जिसको थप्पड़ पड़ते रहते हैं और he's like always saying the wrong thing at the wrong time, which Robert says in the movie. Yeah, so I feel Kiku Sharda and Boman Irani also a fun combo I would like to see, like very different schools
Yeah.
of comedy
That's true.
together.
Yeah, I like this.
Isn't Baman more Bajaj though than Bhalla?
Again,
ऑल्सो बमन का जो मतलब जो भल्ला का
Bajaj in 2010s, not 2026.
Okay.
बट वैसे देखा जाए तो भल्ला ज्यादा कॉमेडी कर भी नहीं रहा है पिक्चर में. उसके
He's naturally funny.
हाँ वो उसका वो है कि बस उसका स्टैचर इतना
Plan
बड़ा
के
है.
मुताबिक.
हाँ, plan के मुताबिक yeah.
plan, sala plan. Yeah.
ठीक है.
Interesting.
Yeah, but so
Baman
again,
and-
Baman
you go.
Boman and
you go
Kiku
next.
Sharda.
Baman and
बाबा,
Kiku.
यार मेरी फिर स्टोरी समझानी पड़ेगी मेरे को. चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैं बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, अभी हमने ये बैक स्टोरी एस्टैब्लिश कर ली कि जो ये था भल्ला भाई अपने, ये अजीत के बेटे थे और वो उनका मिमिक्री कर रहे थे.
Correct.
वन आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर लॉयन, ठीक है, और उसका मिमिक्री कर रहे थे भाई भल्ला भाई अपने. ठीक है,
Okay, भल्ला भाई.
तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने एक उठाया आइकॉनिक विलन.
Okay.
सकते हो?
गब्बर.
नहीं यार, आइकॉनिक विलेंस ऑफ बॉलीवुड का पहला रिसर्च नहीं था.
Gopal Grover.
ठीक है,
अमरीश पुरी.
नहीं रे मैं बताता हूँ, देखो. हाँ नाइस. ठीक है, तो मेरे को ऐसा रिजल्ट्स में आया जुगरान, याद है?
हैं? कौन?
नहीं, फ्रॉम रूप की रानी और चोरों का राजा ब्रो.
पिक्चर फ्लॉप हुई थी.
अनुपम खेर. अरे ब्रो,
See, Ajit was a famous villain. What? To have references in a movie.
जुगरान ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे सबको पता है.
I thought रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा बढ़िया.
But you want Anupam Kher?
So I thought अनुपम
सिकंदर
खेर का
खेर.
बेटा
Ajit is
सिकंदर
from which
खेर,
movie though?
सिकंदर खेर प्ले करेगा भल्ला.
ओ मेरा भी किसी का बेटा ही है.
जुगरान का फेवरेट डायलॉग बताए, फेमस डायलॉग विलन का.
या रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा.
रूप की रानी चोरों का एक भी लाइन बता दे.
Hi.
It's a movie that everyone regrets making. If you see their interviews, they're like, क्यों बनाई?
भाई बैंगिंग कास्ट दो. अनिल कपूर,
तो वो
श्रीदेवी
recast करते.
और अनुपम खेर. बट एनीवे, सो
That's also no, that's लम्हे में श्रीदेवी थी. हाँ, so that's also लम्हे.
हाँ तो
But वहाँ
your
जुगरान-
point-
जुगरान नहीं है ना वहाँ.
But जुगरान नहीं है ना वहाँ पे. ठीक है. तो एनीवे, अब इसमें जैसे अजीत का अटायर भी भल्ला ने लिया था। तो यार जुगरान का अटायर मालूम है आप सबको? अरे यार
it was a flop
पूरा कास्टिंग फ्लैट पड़ जाएगा।
You need a screen here for Jugran first.
Anyway, so उसमें जैसे गोगो इसके अंदर ड्रेस करता है ना इस फिल्म में, वैसे जुगरान उसमें ड्रेस करता है।
अच्छा,
ठीक है, तो आई वाज
what a
थिंकिंग
crossover, bro.
ब्रो, हाँ, तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि इमेजिन सिकंदर खेर, that height, that build,
It won't land. Nobody's seen the movie. The joke won't
yeah,
land,
it's
dude.
not working, the bit is
Yeah,
not
yeah, dude.
working.
Shit,
Yeah.
यार.
Who's your
चलो कोई बात
Robert?
नहीं। My सिकंदर खेर was भल्ला and Robert was स्त्री मैनरिज्म्स वाला अपार शक्ति खुराना।
चलो moving
Hey,
on.
just because wait. I like this now. Like पुलकित ने कहा उस एक प्रोजेक्ट का
नहीं
कि
project-
कुछ शारदा
नहीं, मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि वो पोटेंशियल कि वो उसने वैसा किया, वैसा अगर वो पुल ऑफ कर सकता है तो
you're
इसमें
saying
अच्छा-
Robert is अपार शक्ति.
अपार शक्ति एंड सिकंदर
No,
खेर
not
as
at all.
भल्ला।
Doesn't fit at all. अपार शक्ति, dude. What are you talking about, dude?
भाई राजीव
अपार
मसन।
शक्ति. What are you talking about, dude? Makes no sense.
चलो कोई बात नहीं।
Can I go next? Okay.
Oh yeah, please go ahead.
So I was like, okay, Robert and Bhalla are a duo, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like कि अब आजकल ये होता
रघु
है,
राजीव.
आजकल क्या होता है हर पिक्चर में सोशल मीडिया वाला कुछ ये वो करते हैं.
और Rebel Kids.
So I was like, okay, who's a duo that's famous online who I can cast as Robert and Bhalla?
तन्मय भट्ट जोशी.
My Bhalla is Biswa Kalyan Rath and my Robert is Kanan Gill.
Dude, you know what? Horrible casting, but I would watch this movie. I would totally watch this movie. Dude. I was such a big fan.
Imagine Biswa saying plan
Leave
के
the rest of the
It's so
cast.
funny.
Yeah. Dude,
अबे तू
literally,
plan
No,
तो सुन.
I would love to watch a spin-off of these two.
Sure, yeah.
and these characters.
But not with the whole cast.
Dude, that's the thing. Like, if Biswa and Kanan I find out are in any movie, I'll watch
Yeah.
it because it's them.
Fair.
I watched
I
that
agree.
Yeah.
Christmas movie also of Kanan.
Oh God.
It did. The
Just because it was
Norwegian
on
movie.
Netflix.
पता नहीं कब पॉडकास्ट में बात करी पड़ जाए.
Nice. The foreign language film.
But it was sweet, fun.
Yeah.
Part English, part Swedish or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, Robert and
Actually,
Bhalla.
yeah, horrible
Biswa
casting. But
pretentious movie review of Andhana Prabhu.
Yes, yeah.
that we would like to
It's
see.
so meta. They comment on the movie in
You know
the
how
the movie. Oh,
you know how in the
nice.
end of the DDLJ review they act like Simran and Raj. So
Yeah.
maybe they should do अंदाज अपना review ताकि end में वो भल्ला
Yeah.
रॉबर्ट प्ले करे.
And they haven't done something together in such a long time. It will be like
आज
really
कनन ने
epic.
अकेले में भी कुछ नहीं किया इतने टाइम से।
So they should
अभी
do a
finally
review and
उसका
not act
stand-up
in
आ
it.
रहा है ना।
Yeah.
Basically.
So,
you
yeah.
know, we wouldn't mind
We'll get
if
the Gen Z crowd.
the two of them haven't done anything together. Both of them, we will invite on Popcorn Edition. आ जाओ. We won't mind. Please come.
Then Antariksha
one
will produce
clap.
it.
That came out of nowhere.
I'm just saying. Also, on that filmy game show, they can come.
So
I wouldn't
wait a
mind.
minute. If they say yes, so then does my casting win? Then if they say yes to come on
Only
the
if you
show?
produce the film later.
No, bro.
Which is hectic.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
My Robert and Bhalla. Okay, so my Bhalla is a much better casting. So I'm gonna say that first. Okay, my Bhalla is so my prototype for that character is Lurch from the Addams Family. Right? If anyone knows the Addams Family, it's this tall
Bro,
dude,
people didn't
deadpan
know. What
expression.
Jugnu?
Bro, ये तो हमने बचपन में कार्टून नेटवर्क पे देखा है. क्या जुगनू?
चुराल नहीं पता था तेरे को.
Okay.
Anyway, हाँ,
So,
go ahead.
Anyway, so Lurch from the Addams Family is my prototype. Okay, it's like this tall
Oh,
dude,
yeah.
almost
Based
deadpan.
on Frankenstein monster.
Exactly. Yeah,
yeah,
in a way.
yeah.
Okay. I think great casting would be
The Great Khali. ए किसी और किसने
Bro,
बोला
ये
Great
हम
Khali?
ये नहीं करते हैं. हम लोग को ये बोलना चाहिए. The next great.
Bro.
My great choices.
bro. Great Khali is great, so I'm gonna steal that. It's actually great,
This
dude.
is Richa Chadda moment.
It's actually great casting.
Plant के बुटा
Who said that? Who said that?
ए मैंने हम
Bro.
दोनों ने साथ में बोला।
हाँ, पर I'm
हाँ,
gonna
अच्छा, audience,
give him.
audience.
Yeah,
हाँ,
why not?
for sure,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
sure.
But okay, mine is Junaid Khan. Would be great.
We got a first ew from the earth.
Bro, शहनाज गिल पे नहीं आया, जुनैद खान पे आया.
And I got it you, dude.
Just for that. जिसने भी किया.
Oh, nice.
Love you for that.
So why I'm saying that is because
Anything you say will not
second,
make
एक second.
He
sense.
is, yeah,
Imagine Bhalla doing LOVE.
bro, exactly. Bhalla would do it badly, and so would Junaid. He is Bhalla without even trying to be Bhalla, dude. That's what
ये
I'm saying.
आमिर
He's born
खान
to do
की
that.
फैमिली को जो हम रिहेबिलिटेट कर रहे हैं ना इमरान
Born.
खान.
See, I feel also
Junaid
great callback. See, someone from the Amir Khan universe should be in the movie, right? So for just for the callback's sake, that'll be. this guy.
Imran is there. Imran.
Imran is there. If
First answer of this first game.
if Imran is in the movie, sure. but I think Junaid could work.
Amit-
And my Robert, हाँ sorry, what?
अपने बेटे को भल्ला बनाया मेरा बेटा तेरे से यही होगा तू ये बात
I mean, we saw that reel where the two of them tried to do something and enact the scene. And
तेरे
Junaid
पीछे
did
बम
it
फटेगा तू पलटेगा तो तेरी चड्डी
ब्रो एक्चुअली टू बी फेयर
Bro,
उसने
role
इमरान खान
बड़ा
को भी
छोटा
नंगा
नहीं
कर दिया
होता।
था उसके
हाँ,
अंदर जो
correct.
जीता वही सिकंदर
Yeah, और रोल बड़ा छोटा नहीं होता. Actor.
श्योर श्योर
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Okay.
यस यस यस
Okay.
And when they said bade actor, they didn't mean height.
But this character requires that. That's
Okay.
exactly
Yeah, Boman and Rani, agree.
So ये the start of this sentence was कि मैं भल्ला से स्टार्ट करूंगा because that is a great casting.
और मैं बोल रहा हूँ
और अभी इसका not so favorable option आने वाला है.
Of course.
I am suddenly liking Sikandar Kher.
like based on Frankenstein's monster
Yeah, dude. Bro, again, see, deadpan. He's not. I would say, he's not the most expressive actor. Junaid Khan. That's why he works for this role. That's why.
Okay.
He's भल्ला.
भल्ला is भल्ला.
He's भल्ला.
ये अभी रॉबर्ट आएगा अभी.
अभी Robert. यार,
हाँ.
so
build up
अच्छा you are sad about this.
yeah. See,
that will
again,
be a good cast
the thing is, I'm happier if my casting थोड़ा हटके. जब मुझे हटके नहीं सूझती, तो then I'm like, अरे थोड़ा तो, you know, थोड़ा.
oh
lazy
can I
लग रहा है.
guess
Yeah.
Rajpal Yadav
No, not Rajpal Yadav.
विक्रांत मसे.
What?
Vikrant
Masse, he thought. I would say Saurabh Shukla would be a good option. Saurabh Shukla, if anyone doesn't know,
भाई
is
एटलीस्ट इस पे किसी ने
the
यू
judge.
नहीं बोला.
He is a great actor.
Great actor, fantastic actor.
या
Yeah.
क्या मतलब
I mean, see, the funnier the dichotomy between these two, right? The
Junaid
funnier
थोड़ी
you look on
acting
screen.
सीख लेगा वो
The
उसी
funnier you look
बहाने।
on screen. Yeah, that's fine. So एक तीर से दो निशान यार. Why not?
समोसा चारे भाषमी
Yes, great choice.
Yeah.
As
Audience
Robert?
awards होने चाहिए इसके बाद. Richa Chadda.
Fair enough.
Nice.
But I would say Saurabh Shukla and Junaid Khan, because the pairing would seem so odd. Therein lies the hilarity.
Okay. Nobody is convinced.
Hey man, I gotta try and sell mine, dude. I gotta try and sell mine. It's what it is.
एटलीस्ट दो लोग ने जुगराल मालूम था दो लोग
Right.
दो लोग ने देखी थी. Anyway, ठीक है guys.
voting.
चलो अब इसमें अगर हम
audience this is the toughest round for you
Baman and Kiku.
अगर इस
Not tough anymore.
इसमें
I
अगर
told her.
स्नेहिल जीता ना, बस that'll be end of this.
guys imagine भल्ला सिंह तेरा नाम क्या है टट्टी that will be so funny
No, Ravina will be like, ये किन टट्टियों की पिक्चर दी है मेरे को? किसी की नाक बड़ी है, किसी की आंख है, किसी की. Sorry, go ahead. Sorry.
he's written pass
Oh,
He's given
no
up.
good
He's like,
options. No good options this one.
hopeless.
Nice. I
I
like that.
get you.
I like that.
No.
Yes.
You throw the curveball.
That's
I like
the
that.
correct
I like
answer.
that.
Yes.
अंतरिक्ष
Pulke.
शुक्र है भाई एक तो ठीक दिया भाई ने.
Again, Abbas.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
आपको क्या
For
था?
the inspired casting.
Oh,
That's again.
But then you were a Baman Irani that looks
Again, Biswa Kannan, we know is not good casting though.
Teja. Oh.
hey
just
They're
for the
amazing. I
vibe
love
for
them,
yourself.
dude. But
I
I
thought
don't
Teja is थोड़ा obvious for Baman. मैंने सोचा था Teja क्योंकि पंकज त्रिपाठी और बमन आते दिमाग में जब
Yeah,
तो
fair.
किसी का भी बाप हो कोई.
Correct. True. That's fair.
फिर चाहे वो रोल हो या वो एक्टिंग.
Yeah. Ma'am?
Yeah.
Nice. ये तो yeah लग रहा था. ठीक है.
हाँ गुड.
ठीक है भाई.
चलो.
ठीक है भाई. देख रहे हो nobody is excited about you winning.
They are tired of clapping for me.
All that.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, now we have the cameos and the smaller roles right
So we have first the fathers, the two fathers.
सुबीर
Ah,
सारे
okay.
बोल दे इसमें.
एक ही बार में.
है ना कितने बचे हैं फिर तुमने ये भी पढ़ने हैं अभी. क्या है?
हाँ ठीक है.
ओए,
Actually,
हाँ,
बहुत टाइम
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
तो मतलब
Amar
बहुत time
Prem
नहीं है.
dads let's do it in one
Let's do
go
the two dads in one go.
Okay.
Okay. I'll do mine.
sure
Okay. My Amar's father played
You
by.
have 3 options.
No, I have.
अच्छा.
In this I have one.
ठीक है.
I think both of these will work perfectly well for these roles. Amar's father.
so one second it's originally Deven Verma and Jagdeep did
Yeah,
the roles
correct. So my Amar's father, the कैसा लग रहा है डैडी? बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा.
Is Gajraj Rao sir. I think
Interesting,
amazing.
interesting choice.
Very interesting. I think he will ace.
मैंने गजराज राव भल्ला में लिखा था पहले.
भाई क्या बात कर रहा
फिर
है?
मैंने कहा भाई कैसे
क्या बात कर रहा है?
फिर तूने सोचा
कि मैं सिकंदर गेट को देता हूँ.
भाई.
गजराज नहीं तो जुगराज.
So Gajraj sir would be amazing. He would ace this. He's like
I agree,
a
I agree.
perfect role
I
for
agree.
Gajraj
Completely
Rao,
agree.
I would say. Okay, so that Prem's father, because I would love to see just the visual of this actor whose name I'm going to say holding
सलमान खान.
Prem's ears and like अबे चल मुझे बाहर तुम्हारी वहाँ पे तुम्हारी मंजिल दिख रही है वहाँ पे
हाँ. बेटा
सामने
सामने
शमशान घाट
है और
पुलिस
पुलिस
स्टेशन
स्टेशन.
है.
कौन सी मंजिल है
तुम्हारी
बेटा तुम्हारी?
मनोज पावा.
Oh, I
Ace.
have
Nice,
Manoj
nice.
Pawa
Ace.
as Amar's
Ace.
dad.
Amar's, oh,
Yeah.
or you have as Amar's dad?
As Amar's dad, Manoj Pawa.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And
Again,
as-
interchangeable in a way.
I have
Yeah.
him in even better role.
Oh,
And for Prem's dad, I have Sanjay Mishra.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
interesting.
As Amar's dad, I have Rakesh Bedi. Riding high on the
अभी
Dhurandhar.
की price point थोड़ी high
Recency
होगी.
bias.
as Amar's dad?
As Amar's dad.
He seems more Prem's dad.
But मैंने और caricaturish actor लिया है for Prem's dad.
And?
That is Johnny Lever.
Oh, मतलब तेरी पिक्चर में जॉनी और
यार,
जेमी
भाई जेमी को जॉनी की वजह से ही काम मिला है. उसने
Johnny
साइन
Lever-
करी थी.
Johnny
इन्हें
Lever
मैंने
का-
अगर जेमी को लोगे तो ही मैं साइन करूंगा.
अंदाज makers aren't convinced about Jamie's casting, dude.
See, तुम अंदाज अपना अपना रीमेक कर रहे हो और जॉनी लीवर को इतना छोटा रोल नहीं दे सकते तुम. आई फील
तो फिर कौन सा
But
role
that's
ये
not
नहीं
on
पता
us.
मुझे.
That's not on-
मुझे बस काउंटर
है?
देना है.
जैसा अंतरिक्ष ने बोला.
I've got a
Yeah, yeah.
recasting for खली लियाकत मियां. मैंने कहा Regret खली.
Yeah, correct. जहाँ क्या पहले गड़ा 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 गड़ा
कैची चलती थी अब वहाँ पे
अब
कसाई
कसाई वाला
क्या
चलेगा.
छुरी
हाँ.
चलेगी.
Okay, mine is for Prem's dad, nepotism rocks. Javed Jafri.
Oh,
I would
I
like
thought of
I would
this,
like
yeah,
to see him reprise his dad's iconic
Correct,
role.
yeah.
Plus his comic timing is also as
Great,
good,
yeah, yeah.
if not
Almost,
better, obviously. And for Amar's dad, Pankaj Tripathi, I know is the first choice, but I'll tell you why. अमर अपने पापा को बेवकूफ बनाता है बहुत ज्यादा. एंड पंकज त्रिपाठी सीम्स लाइक अ वेरी ऐसा वो गाय इंसान
Gullible
होते हैं
सा,
ना.
हाँ.
Yeah, yeah.
तो आई फील मतलब ही वुड बी गुड एट दैट कि हाँ चलो चलो बहुत अच्छा लाइक आई कैन इमेजिन हिम डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दैट.
यही राकेश बेदी को करते हुए इमेजिन करो. कितना मस्त लगेगा.
मैं नहीं करूंगा.
मनोज पावा को करो फिर वो गुस्सा भी होता है उससे.
So
और
गजराज
funny.
राव also is nice, but I feel गजराज राव is very smart himself. उनको बेवकूफ बनते मैंने किसी फिल्म में कम देखा है मतलब ऐसा.
But
Also,
he,
Gajraj Rao is
but
like-
he's gullible also, right? He plays those gullible, well-meaning
Hmm.
fathers, but who don't mind making fun of the child or like asking the child to pull his socks up or whatever. I think
बोल तो ऐसे जैसे हम जिए हैं उनके साथ.
मुकेश खन्ना जी की फोटो के आगे मुकेश खन्ना बोल दिया.
छावड़ा भाई.
मुकेश छावड़ा.
Wow. गलत शो की कास्टिंग.
Yeah, I think this all of our casting was good.
mine
only.
is best. Let's just come on.
कौन सी थी आपकी?
We
खली.
share one.
मेरी थी
नहीं, मनोज पावा
मनोज
and,
पावा,
and
गजराज राव,
Sanjay
मनोज
Mishra.
पावा. गजराज राव, मनोज पावा.
Okay,
Let's see quickly.
See quickly.
Hey.
Nice.
बोल दे भाई. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, dude. What happened? We started the show we were on the same page, bro, when we started the show. What happened?
Bhai, we have equal votes. Why are
Yeah,
you
bro.
angry?
What the hell, dude? You could have been with me. It was the same, dude.
अब बात सुन, मैं कितने chill बैठे हैं.
Yeah, like,
What the hell, dude?
We are here for the vibes now.
It's
Because
because we care.
We know our
because we
movies will
can.
get made.
I was just fucking.
अब्बास की फिल्म के लिए तो बजट
किसी ने
इकट्ठा हो ही
सोचा ही
जाए.
वो तो तब मैं ही दे देता हूँ.
Third judge. We had
Third
to get
judge.
third one.
यार उनको भी आगे ही बिठा दो. मैं ये नहीं समझ आवाज पहुंची वहां तक कि नहीं. ये देखा.
Okay, vote.
Who have you voted for?
Ma'am?
Oh, so was अंतरिक्ष while casting.
I wasn't. Dude, I'm winning every other round. What are you talking about, dude? Ma'am, if you had, who are you confused between, if you can ask? बोल साले.
नहीं,
I think you should go with the third one then.
Yeah, Abbas. Yeah, that's the name. Yeah.
Just to clear the confusion.
नहीं, उसके पास तो वैसे ही इतने सारे वोट हैं. Thanks.
ए तूने
Wow.
प्लीज बोला ऐसे ना. उसके पास तो इतने वोट्स हैं ऑलरेडी.
तो ठीक है ना भाई.
Okay. Cameos.
No, Mahmood, I felt Vijay Raj would be good because
Oh.
सड़क से उठा के हीरो बना दूंगा तुझे.
Oh, nice.
We have seen him do that in Welcome. Why not?
Bro, similar thinking I had.
हाँ.
I was like, so not exactly on the same lines, but I was like Abhishek Banerjee because he's a casting director in
Casting
real
director.
life.
Wow.
So you can
Okay,
actually
yeah.
make someone's, like
Interesting. But Vijay looks like he has authority
Sure,
and
yeah,
वो
that
बेवकूफ
I
बना
agree.
सकता है किसी को.
That I agree. I agree. But I also thought
बना सकते हैं.
I also thought.
He's
मेरा-
old. He's
मेरे से
senior.
5 साल छोटा था विजय कर सकता है.
So I also thought, okay, this is Mahmood's role is a perfect place. No, a perfect place for the director of the movie, the original director of the movie, Rajkumar Santhosh, to make a cameo.
Yeah, that's true.
The perfect
Interesting.
place to make a cameo. So I think
Subhash
Raj
Ghai.
Mukherjee.
Easter egg के
feels-
खातिर.
मैं बताऊं
Easter egg.
so my choice I have gender swapped that role and
Oh, we all did some gender swapping.
I went with Farah Khan. Farah Khan
Oh,
is
nice, nice.
Abbas, how does it feel to get this
Farah-
kind of role?
You win this round.
Yeah, dude.
फराह खान के साथ जो उसका वो पार्टनर होता है ना, सुभाष घई बन के फोन करता है, वो
Great
उसका जो
Farah Khan. Farah.
Sandeep ji.
Yeah.
That's what Farah Khan does with YouTubers on her channel. हाँ मिलेगी.
and that whole thing के अमिताभ और मैं टड़िंग बाप और बेटा
And
टड़िंग
she can actually be like Shah Rukh or मैं.
Wow, क्या
So, yeah.
scene है.
Very nice.
चलो गुड नाइट गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग.
No. Quickly, a couple more.
आपका महमूद कौन है?
My
He said no.
नहीं. अच्छा
Vijay
विजय राज.
Vijay
Raj.
Oh, मेरा my महमूद option was Piyush Mishra.
oh interesting.
Hey यार, तू Piyush Mishra should be another one that you are not allowed to use. Okay? Every single episode you fucking bring
But
us Piyush Mishra.
this
you
is
talk
literally
about
the
Piyush
first time I've casted him in any of my
Mishra. Not, no chance. I'm sure you casted him earlier.
उसकी आवाज करके दिखा.
मैं जब सोच रहा था कि मैं वहां से जा रहा था और आरंभ है प्रचंड.
We can throw a mix of Amitabh.
ऐसा ही
तो
रोक
आरंभ
रहा
प्रचंड का वो सुर नहीं निकला तो अमिताभ निकला.
ऐसा ही बनाऊंगा.
नहीं इसमें तो अब्बास.
तू मत
Good
बता,
one.
मैं जीत गया.
What are you talking? You have got one person with your name all evening, dude. What are you talking about? Okay, let's go. We have.
और
just-
मेरा
You have
वैसे
cameo?
सॉरी यार मैं
Yeah, just-
पीयूष मिश्रा से पहले मैंने एक
हाँ.
वो तो अब्बास ही है यार. फराह खान से बेटर किसका है?
नहीं, पर पूछ लो यार, sir.
हाँ, you never know, bro.
अब तो उसको प्रेशर हो गया, पीयर प्रेशर.
Thank you.
वो अंतरिक्ष बोलने वाला था भाई. कहते हैं, अब तो अब्बास
How
बोलने
dare
वाला
you?
है. ठीक है.
Yeah.
नाउ गोविंदा एंड जूही.
Jui,
Oh,
the
that's it. We're not
cameos.
doing Anand Akela. We're not doing.
वो बहुत ज्यादा है ऐसे तो भाई.
अच्छा,
भाई
सेवाराम
सिर्फ
जी,
ये
ठीक है.
गोविंदा
Fair enough,
जूही
fair enough.
मेरे पास सेवाराम के लिए I had
डीडी.
Cameos.
okay, let's do cameos.
Let's just do cameos and finish it.
या
Okay.
Cameos. Let's see.
Let's go with
Govinda and Jui. Let's start with yours.
Juhi Chawla, I would say Deepika, because
Bro, same.
thinking
Hey.
of a current superstar who would, if you see her in public, you would feel
Like
like,
Ayla,
hi,
Govinda.
Ayla, Juhi Chawla.
I want to help
So,
her fix her.
I know Govinda is Ranveer.
Ranveer Singh, yes.
High five. मेरा भी वही है दोनों.
I did SRK Deepika.
ए बट आप लोग को अलाउड नहीं था
अरे
रणवीर
not
का.
in the
मैं
main
बताऊं
roles,
क्यों?
not in the
Here's
main
the
roles,
thing, okay,
ना.
अंदाज अपना में it is the cameos were the hardest to cast because in the hierarchy that time Amir was a bigger star than Govinda, but still he has to be starstruck when he sees Govinda.
And it
he's
was-
done movies with Juhi Chawla, yet he has to look at Juhi Chawla like ये मेरे को कभी मिल ही नहीं सकती है, right? So it has to be so. I'm like, who
Yeah,
is
that's
the one?
You thought Deepika also?
I thought Deepika. I'm like, who is the Govinda equivalent of Bollywood actor right now? The closest I could come.
and
up
like
with was
clothes
Ranveer.
also.
In that regard.
उसी टाइप की हरकतें हैं.
The quirks in real life
Exactly,
versus
yeah,
the.
So
जैसे,
in,
हाँ.
in that regard, sticking to having no Ranveer, I thought SRK and Deepika could be great.
ब्रो मेरे पास भी है एक ऑप्शन ये वाला
Could
तो.
be
But
Who can-
SR के रेफरेंस तो ऑलरेडी अंदाज में है. वो होता है तुम शाहरुख के साथ बच्चे पकड़े हो आजकल.
हाँ, तो ठीक है ना?
He
But
he's
all the
been
actors-
relevant for so many years and for this new one.
हाँ
Hey,
तो
that's, I
अभी
think SRK
It's a little out of place because we are
But
casting
who
all
also?
modern
But
actors.
who are you? Is if anyone sees Shahrukh, who is not starstruck? It's the easiest person to be starstruck by. Ranveer, you
वही
can
तो मैं
still
कह रहा
not
हूँ,
be
ये
starstruck by.
Starstruck by the Deepika, the Juhi Chawla part.
Yeah.
I mean, that's because it's a
Gulshan
longer
Devanaya
sequence.
will never get Deepika
Govinda's there for
Padukone
like
in
half
my
a sequence,
movie.
dude. And he's also like, Ayla, Govinda, Chamaila, Tukon. It's like that only. It's there, dude. He's
But
very.
he starts talking to him, so he's not that starter. Like,
हाँ.
नहीं, but he is like. वैसे तो
बोल
मैं.
रहा हूँ.
हाँ, कुछ भी.
पुलकित at this point like किसी तरीके से
Yeah,
मेरा friend आ गया.
He's understood the episode
मैं
basically.
स्टारस्ट्रक को स्टार्टर बोल
He's
दूंगा.
understood.
लेकिन मेरा
but
point
fun
आना
trivia, like it was supposed to be Sunny Deol's cameo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And like you have seen those
Correct, correct.
interviews. Yeah.
ठीक है
And
अब
you know how Govinda happened to be. So
He was just there.
exactly.
Next studio. It would never happen today.
Exactly. All those contracts would have to come in. age would
15
have to be
मैनेजर
more-
बीच में खड़े
Correct,
हुए.
correct.
so my cameos for Govinda and Juhi are Ritik and Kareena.
I thought Ritik.
ऋतिक एंड करीना ऑल्सो इसका रीजन सबसे बड़ा ये है कि शाहिद कपूर जेलस हो रहा है ऋतिक से करीना के लिए एंड the fact that nobody on the set was talking to each other, Shahid and Kareena
Bro,
would fulfill that.
करीना पहले ही मना कर देगी ये रोल.
But Shahid was never a fan of Kareena. Like,
Yeah, it's like.
भाई he wasn't he starstruck of Kareena Kapoor.
But वो
उसका
पहली बात तो
relationship ही वही था.
वो हाई नहीं बोलेगी इस पिक्चर के लिए. We know for a fact that Kareena will not say yes to this.
I feel Kareena can though, but मुझे I can't see.
Like, imagine
I can't see
Kare-
Hrithik because you said Hrithik ना.
और ऊपर से भाई ये वो क्योंकि गोविंदा और जूही जो है वो ओवर द टॉप गले लग जा करते हैं, तो इसमें वो लोग मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ रिक्रिएट करके कर सकते हैं हेवेंस फॉल हियर और उसके बार-बार रीटेक हो सकते हैं.
But मुझे ऐसा गोविंदा को कॉमिक टाइमिंग सोच रहे तो कोई कॉमिक टाइमिंग वाला एक्टर सोचना चाहिए.
SRK,
Like
bro.
Hrithik, I don't remember any great comedies he's in.
Bro, it's a joke.
But
Like,
they
that
are being
cameo is
serious
joke.
because Andaz Apna Apna is making fun of those times. So
Yeah.
they are being serious in that
हाँ,
scene.
तो they'll make fun of मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ ना in that scene. ये भी तो मेटा हुआ ना.
Wow.
पर शाहिद तो उसी पता नहीं यार, I don't know.
But Ranveer has great timing also, like Rocky Rani.
Who has better time than SRK? That's what I'm saying, dude.
इस वाले राउंड में अगर
What are you
आप
talking
पुलकित को
about?
भी वोट दोगे तो मेरे को मिलेगा बिकॉज हमारा सेम
Same है.
इसलिए आप मेरे को वोट
बढ़
दे सकते
जाएगी,
हो
बढ़
क्योंकि मैंने
जाएगी.
थॉट दिया है इसको.
Equal बढ़ जाएगी vote. That's the
Okay,
result.
that
was-
brings
who
us
was your
to the
choice?
end. Mine was SRK and Deepika. So if
So
whoever you-
3 Deepikas basically.
Yeah.
Wow, dude.
Who we just thought we put ourselves in those shoes and like who
Nice.
we be star
Yeah,
structure.
who-
Nice.
Let's see where we stand, sirs and ma'am. Let's go.
थैंक यू.
No, one. Okay, Pulkit and Abbas. Sorry.
तो half चला जाएगा.
Fair enough.
ये भाई पहली बारी अकाउंट से वैलिडेशन मिला मेरे को लाइफ में.
No, why yaar? Why yaar? Sir.
Nice.
Pulkit and Abbas. Okay, nice. Very cool. Very
ये
nice.
तुम
Very
दोनों
nice.
ने पुलकित और अब्बास बोल के पुलकित की तरफ क्यों पॉइंट किया? एक अब्बास को भी तो करो बेचारे को.
So at the end of it, who won more rounds?
Me.
No.
Was anybody
Are you
keeping
insane?
score?
Who's keeping?
Either Pulkit or me. Pulkit, I
We
think,
thought
won
we were
most.
keeping score. We thought they were keeping score.
Antrix won more rounds.
You अच्छा
I think in general he had more votes. If I'm remembering correctly, I think Pulkit won.
अरे पुलकित is our guest. He's always there.
He won.
Basically,
He
बड़ा आपको
won.
ऐसे
पुलकित
मत बोलो
guest
मैं
ना
actually
बने.
जीता हूँ.
I think
मैं humble होने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और मुझे बोल रहा है यार guest है. मैं जीता हूँ, मुझे सबसे ज्यादा वोट्स आए हैं दोस्तों.
Fuck you to all 3 यहाँ तक आ गया था उसके.
yeah. Okay, so Pulkit wins, does he, right?
Yes.
Guys, Pulkit is being crowned most Mukesh ever. The next Mukesh Chawla of the industry is Pulkit Kochhar, PK.
I just want to say मेरे घर पे वीर ज़ारा पोस्टर है और आंखों देखी है.
और अब ये होगा.
और अब ये होगा. The range.
Tell everyone.
आपको देखी बैंगर फिल्म.
Banger.
बहुत पसंद है मुझे. आपने देखी? आपने देखी?
Yeah, my आंखों
It's
have
on
देखी
my
है. Yes.
to be
Bro,
seen.
बहुत. संजय मिश्रा.
Thank you,
किसी ने
thank
कास्ट
you.
किया था ना?
मैंने
Thank you.
प्रेम का
Nice. How does it feel, Pulkit? Acceptance speech?
I knew it. No, but actually.
क्या यार इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें.
No. Actually, but मुझे ऐसा लगा था तुम लोगों ने ज्यादा थॉट डाली होगी मेरे से क्योंकि मैंने
Same.
एक्चुअली ऑटो में सोचा आज.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can see the timing of my message on WhatsApp.
Bro, and you
I
still
wrote to
won?
myself.
That's embarrassing, dude. Wow, dude. Nice. Nice.
I think मैं moving vehicles में better सोचता हूँ. That's the result. That's the result of today's result.
Okay, very good.
Nice.
Very congrats,
Okay.
man.
Thank you.
Best Mukesh
So,
Chawla, I
yeah.
would say, ever possible.
That
Very
concludes the recasting section of the episode.
Yeah. So we have a few more. The last thing we have to do is some of you had you were given chits that you had to fill before you entered the room. The question on the chit was, what's a Bollywood hot take or an unpopular opinion that you have that you think basically deserves to be discussed on the episode? And we have some great options.
We don't know who wrote them,
पढ़े ही
right?
No, I wrote. मैंने पढ़ लिया भाई. Okay. So one is
So we are reacting to these.
yeah.
Okay.
And we are
Or discussing.
Giving
Okay.
opinions.
So one of them is some Bollywood song remakes are actually quite nice.
Yeah.
मतलब ये हॉट टेक.
हाँ, वैसे तो धुरंधर के टाइटल ट्रैक भी
अपनी
is a
तो
remake है.
जैसे तैसे in houseful
Dude,
is
that's
damn
pretty good one.
nice.
Yeah. Also Bluffmaster का टाइटल ट्रैक सबसे बड़ा रुपया.
Yeah,
It's pretty good remake.
And I was thinking one John Abraham song which is ना जाने कहाँ से नीरज श्रीधर song.
Oh yeah.
I agree with this.
Yeah.
Some is.
हाँ, but only
5%.
some
Yeah,
is the
key-
keyword.
keyword is
5%
some.
is the keyword. तनिष्क
Okay,
बागची को
fair
अभी
enough.
वैलिडेशन मिला वहाँ पे.
But
होने
so
में.
agreed, right? Some Bollywood song.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
I
Do
agree.
you have a favorite remake of a song?
I feel अपनी तो जैसे
आँख
तैसे
मारे,
form
हाँ.
है.
Yes, yes, yes.
मुझे भी
And
आँख
I
मारे
have a
ठीक
theory.
लगता
I
है.
think Mika singing remakes somehow जैसे आँख मारे even अपनी तो जैसे तैसे somehow he brings his own
That's
flavor
true.
to
Yeah.
it.
Okay. Let's go. Next one is we should have. Oh, this is a great one. We should have had movies that show Jadu's home planet.
Krish 4.
Hey, Krish 4 is yet to
Krish 4,
come. Yeah, you
Apparently,
never know.
apparently
I think-
Jadu's coming back. I read
Yeah,
somewhere.
Jadu's apparently
coming
Krish 4.
He's coming back to India.
You never know backstory दिखाएं.
Nice, dude.
But think of this, no, Jadu on his home planet, he's the only one who will be named Jadu. Like everybody else will have alien names.
Yeah.
वो यहाँ पे नामकरण हुआ है उसका.
हाँ, so it'll be like
Bro, आप देख रहे हो थॉट कितना जीरो थॉट गया है जादू नेम करने में. उसने उसको पावर्स दिया, उसके लिए वो मैजिक था, उसने उसका नाम जादू रख दिया.
it's like a brown guy being named Roberto. Like अरे ये कैसा नाम है? ये क्या नाम लेके आया तू? Anyway, moving on.
अंतरिक्ष हॉट टेक्स रिजेक्ट कर रहा है. ये नहीं बात कर रहा है.
ये तो मैं
इसके
पढ़ूंगा
बाद
ही
मैं
नहीं.
कर
Some of
लूंगा.
them are not great. Okay. Oh, this one is a very hot take. Sholay is boring and quite basic.
What?
And this guy has more. He says, then next is, we don't miss Imran Khan. We just miss the era.
ए ब्रो ये तो रेडिट पे पढ़ा तूने. ये मैंने भी पढ़ा रेडिट पे. हाँ रेडिट या
Twitter
ट्विटर
के
पे.
screenshot
What he
Insta
wrote on
पे.
Reddit also, yeah? We don't know. What is
So,
this?
what was it? Sholay is boring and
And quite basic. I think it says
quite
basic.
basic. Anybody else who thinks here that
See,
Sholay is
I think what the problem is Sholay एक टेम्पलेट बन चुकी है अब.
Yeah.
तो I think वो बंदे ने टेम्पलेट फिल्म में पहले देख ली. And now he's.
Bro, so
what
did,
I
did, did
actually
any
think-
of you go? You went to see it again? Anybody went to see?
I
it
went
जब
final
release?
cut. Final cut. I
फाइनल
watched.
कट अभी भी है बाय द वे.
The thing is, it 1975 की masalaest of masala film still had so many quiet moments in it.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Oh,
dude.
the background score is.
Amazing.
भाई मैं आपको एक बात
What I
बताता
would
हूँ.
say,
हम लोग ये फाइनल कट देखने गए थे एंड मेरी बहन अभी 22 साल की है. उसने आज तक शोले पूरी नहीं देखी है साथ में. वो फर्स्ट टाइम देखने गई. भाई शी वाज क्राइंग बाय द एंड ऑफ द फिल्म. एंड उससे ये पता लगता है कि कितना जबरदस्त होल्ड है उस फिल्म का आज तक ऑडियंस.
So, bro, like what I
But
what I
this
would-
person might be like a young person, so they
No, it's like-
just probably their attention span.
is this you? Did you write this? Okay. Oh, I know. Okay, okay.
वो कमेंट के बाद तो नहीं लिखा.
Okay.
You mean to say the story, the plot is not great,
It's based on Mera Gaon Mera Desh.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not boring.
It's not boring for sure.
So what I would say is that it's very possible, and tell me if I'm wrong, whoever wrote this, this person has not ever seen Sholay in one sitting ever. I think he's seen it in
Possible.
parts.
3 घंटा.
And
But
because of
if
that,
they found it boring, why would they complete the movie?
no, but that's what. If you actually give it that time, you will realize it's actually a banging, amazing masterpiece almost. It's not. It's not. I boring तो कहीं से भी नहीं है. Boring लग सकती है if you have seen.
हाँ, like
you know,
she
parts
said,
of
if
it.
the
passing में
person
देख रहे
said
हो.
कि the
Passing में
plot
देख
is
रहे हो.
basic,
Exactly.
I would get that.
Yeah,
मैं क्या बोल
yeah.
रहा हूँ पता है there are moments where Amitabh Bachchan is playing a harmonica and Jaya Bachchan is
हाँ.
putting the lamp off. Those moments for young generation are like nothing's happening. Why are we looking?
Say long
2
press
minutes?
2x. right side पे.
आईपैड पे ऐसे बैठे. उसका और वो हाँ ठीक है अब ठीक है.
This is the most sad thing we laughed on.
The next one is Mams, Chandrika's chit,
Oh,
and she
okay.
says, Vikrant Masi is strictly okay for Antriksh, she says. Fair
Best
enough, you can
take,
agree on
yes.
that.
हाँ
You know that.
ये
We didn't discuss Imran Khan phase.
Oh yeah, Imran
No,
Khan.
I agree with that.
I partially agree. I'll
agree,
give a
yeah.
quick answer. I think we missed that era, but that's also true. Ki only he did those kind of movies in that era, which is not alpha like and all that. No.
Shahid
He
would
was-
also do Kismat Connection.
But those didn't
and all
work
this.
na,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the audience or for the box office or for the critics. Jaane to ye jana worked for everyone.
Oh, I get it. Imran Khan was the Saif Ali Khan
Yeah,
of the 2000s,
late 2000s.
of his own era. Yeah, correct.
Saif was early
Yeah, yeah.
2000s.
भाई आपने किडनैप देखी है बाय एनी चांस?
हाँ,
Bro, the one with
unfortunately,
Imran
yes.
खान वाली.
Shruti Hassan wali.
नहीं
नहीं,
इसमें,
मनीषा लांबा.
ईशा
See, that's
कोप्पिकर.
why nobody misses
मनीषा
kidnap.
लांबा. मनीषा लांबा.
See, that's why nobody misses kidnap or luck.
That's why, dude.
Bro, the fact that Squid Games is luck.
They filed a case and lost also.
हाँ, of course,
Case.
yes.
They filed a case against Squid
हाँ
Game.
भाई,
the audacity,
luck के
dude.
मेकर्स ने
Yeah.
स्क्विड गेम के
Have you
अगेंस्ट
seen-
केस किया था भाई.
किडनैप में एक सीन है, संजय दत्त की बेटी होती है मनीषा लांबा, वो किडनैप हो जाती है, इमरान खान किडनैप करता है, संजय दत्त पहुंच जाता है जहाँ किडनैप हुई है, वो खुद भी उसको कैद कर देता है और फिर वो बोलता है कि मैं तो संजय दत्त बोला कि अब मुझे पता चल गया कि तुम कहो, अब मैं कल आके अपनी बेटी का like what the fuck?
He just wanted some alone time.
You found out why your daughter is kept.
आज अच्छे से सो जाओ तुम. सुबह मिलेंगे
देख,
8 बजे.
अभी
मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा.
अभी ले गया तो फिल्म छोटी हो जाएगी.
Oh shit! I just remembered 8 बजे मेरी डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट है पहले. फिर उसके बाद she'll take my mom to the grocery store.
तूने बेटी अब तक जिंदा रखी है तो एक दिन में क्या ही कर रहा है, एक और दिन रख ले, नहीं तो Amazon से
Need
कुछ
to
ना
watch
कुछ मंगाती
Kidnap.
रहती है.
So Chandrika said Vikrant Massey is strictly okay for Antariksh, and Janhvi Kapoor is not as bad as Antariksh thinks
I agree.
for Antariksh also. Again, both those things.
Not as bad as
Janhvi Kapoor.
मैं जैमी अच्छा ठीक
Yeah.
है मैं जैमी तो लीवर थी
Janhvi Kapoor is absolutely terrible. Okay, firstly let's get that straight. I think she is a horrible actress.
I
cannot
think I
act at all.
appreciate the efforts.
Bro, आज ही she
That's
is
सिर्फ efforts ही appreciate
no,
करना,
no,
acting तो नहीं
तू
होती.
frame से निकल जाए,
I'll tell you
acting तो नहीं
why.
होती.
I'll tell you why. Have you seen Ghost Stories of Zoya Akhtar?
yes.
That's
yes.
where
Yes.
Jerry, वो पता?
Good luck Jerry.
Good luck, Jerry.
I've seen
Okay.
that also, yes.
Oh, yeah. Kunjan Saxena, again, she
I haven't
could have
seen
been better. It could have been another person would be better than Kunjan Saxena. Is what I'm saying.
भाई हर पिक्चर में अमिताभ बच्चन
चलो.
तो नहीं हो सकता
But
ना भाई.
who's saying Amitabh?
नहीं, मैं वैसे ही कह
So
रहा हूँ
many
कि-
actors in that role.
अमिताभ बच्चन
could have
जानवी
been
कपूर का रोल एनीवे करेगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
better. Okay, this one I didn't exactly get, but it's an interesting comment.
Okay.
He says Imran Khan might turn out to be Bollywood ka Ben Affleck in a good way. Also, I liked Matru ki Bijli Ka Mandola despite his terrible accent. But
He
Ben
hints
Affleck,
What is,
Ben Affleck in what sense? That he does
आगे जाके बैटमैन
Oscar-winning movies.
I guess
But
Ben Affleck
himself
started
is restricted as an actor.
as this young romantic lead, then became a character actor, became a filmmaker.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Did he gift
Stuff
a
like
cat
that.
to anyone in any movie? Maybe Batman.
Catwoman को cat दिया.
In Jaane To Ya Jaane Na, the movie starts.
First
with- yeah.
5 minute reference.
Yeah. Okay, let's do one more, last one, and then we'll end it. Okay.
It has to be a banger. Huh?
Okay, then.
The pressure.
अच्छा पीरो बता तू कौन सा हटाया आपने ताकि उस इंसान को बुरा लगे.
Bro, okay. I have a good one.
Yeah.
Says Tiger Shroff is highly underrated as an actor.
As an athletics guy.
Bhai,
Have you guys seen the latest
I think
interview?
overrated in athletics,
Anupama
underrated
Chopra
as an
and Anupama Chopra has interviewed Tiger
bro, it's the
Shroff.
most awkward one. Anupama can't ask a serious
No, I
question.
didn't see it after the thumbnail text.
What was it?
I have to. No. It was excellence or something.
No, but Anupama Chopra is talking to him as if he's some Oscar winner. Yeah,
I think
like,
it was a
oh,
branded
you
deal.
cried so much in Baghi 3. Was it difficult for you? The
guys-
audience also
Because
cried.
obviously वो अपनी खुद की पिक्चर देख लिया था वो.
She
He's
can't
like,
give
oh
a
shit.
She has such a, like, her monologue inside is, क्या यार कैसे दिन आ गए हैं?
भाई अब लेकिन अब उसको रिव्यू डिलीट करना पड़ जाएगा.
हाँ, any
तो
second
फिर
now.
वो क्या करेगी भाई. बागी 3 की आपने बात करी डूड. बागी 3 was the film जिसके बाद पैंडेमिक आ गया था.
What was the Baghi 4?
the last movie.
जिसके बाद
Bro,
पैंडेमिक आ गया था.
what a great excuse to have for the movie not
Bro,
working,
and
man.
I'll tell you,
What an amazing-
दिल्ली का लास्ट बागी 3 का शो में
हाँ.
5 लोग थे. मेरा खानदान.
अरे वाह.
I don't know.
वॉर भाई वॉर आई थी तो वॉर में ना ऋतिक को देख के हमें लगा
और
कि टाइगर भी
Nice.
कर सकता है एक्टिंग. ठीक है.
I like to think that Sneha's mother called him up के hey leave work
There's an
now.
emergency, yeah.
There's an emergency at home.
So,
बागी
भाई
फुबागी
मेरे
नहीं देख रही.
मेरे छोटे भाई को एकदम ऐसे स्टंट्स वंट्स बहुत बढ़िया लग गए तो बागी 3 आई. उसको इज लाइक मेरे को बागी 3 देखनी है. तो हमने कहा चलो ठीक है बागी 3 देखने चल लेते हैं. तो सुबह क्या हुआ.
इसकी family कोई पिक्चर के लिए मना नहीं करता कि
Bro,
नहीं
सुबह अनाउंस हुआ.
maybe.
सुबह अनाउंस हुआ कि दिल्ली के
Lockdown.
सारे थिएटर्स और ये सब बंद हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो हम बैठ गए कि नहीं जाना कोई बात नहीं. भाई मेरे भाई ने थिएटर में कॉल किया छोटे भाई ने कि आप कौन सा शो लास्ट प्ले कर रहे हो.
टाइगर
तो
ने फोन उठाया. आ जाओ भाई. कोई तो आओ.
तो उन्होंने बोला हम 12:15 का हमारा लास्ट शो है हम वो प्ले कर रहे हैं लिटरली.
12:15 रात के?
सुबह दिन
अच्छा,
के.
okay.
तो हम लिटरली 11:30 बजे हम लोग गाड़ी में बैठे 12:15 बजे शो देखने गए. भाई हम ही 5 लोग थे और उसके बाद पूरी दिल्ली में शो बंद हो गया.
I feel this person recently watched War 2 and then he's like I miss
हाँ,
Tiger
bro,
Shroff
I miss
now.
Tiger
Yeah,
Shroff, yes.
Because
Does anybody want to own up who wrote this? Because I want to know what.
I
you
think they did it for the joke.
What do you think is underrated
Or
about
the discussion, man.
Tiger?
It's a hot
but बागी कितनी आ चुकी है 4.
4 मेरे ख्याल से.
तो
हाँ.
कोई तो ऑडियंस है अगर 4 आ गई है.
That's true. Yeah. There is one person in India who has seen all 4, and that's name is Snehal Aneja.
मैंने एक्चुअली द बेस्ट बागी जो थी अपेरेंटली बागी 1 वो ही नहीं देखी है. बागी 2 3 4 मैंने तीनों देखी है.
Why would you watch good movies?
I love chum chum chum.
हाँ bro.
Wait, छोटी बच्ची हो क्या इसमें बागी?
No, हीरोपंती.
That's
हीरोपंती. Bro पहली फिल्म से कल्ट डायलॉग. इसलिए चल रहा है
और
आज.
वही डायलॉग.
Okay, Anupama.
and they recreated the dialogue in Heropanti 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this has been an amazing episode. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Pulkit.
so much.
Thank you so
Guys.
much to the live audience.
Clap for yourself for
We
being
know,
patient.
we know थोड़ा
also.
लंबा हो गया episode,
Yeah.
पर ठीक है यार.
Hey, how
I guess
many
70 guys
members here? Channel members?
wow,
Nice.
Wow.
Good amount.
That's two.
Thank you for having me also. Like I know मैं ना competitive ज़्यादा हो जाता हूँ. मेरे
Nice.
शक्ल पे
We
दिख
like
जाता
it.
है.
That's how we like it. Thank you, man.
तेरे शो में मैं और अनस लड़ाई
Yes,
कर लिए थे.
great. And they're still not talking.
But thank you so much for having me. This
Man,
is
what a
fun
baller
for me.
time. Thank you for
pleasure.
doing this.
मज़े आए.
So this is our first ever live show we are doing for this
Oh,
show for Pop
interesting.
Conversation.
हाँ, ये-
And the show will evolve more. We will
Definitely.
think of more things that we can do and interact with the audience in a fun way. We thought a good way to do the audience interaction would be for you guys to rate us. Let us know what you thought of that. That'll be fun. And please, if you're watching it online, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Become members if you're not already. Thank you so much, guys. Please give us a huge round of applause for being
Yes.
here. That's Mr. Snail Aneja, Abbas Momin, I'm Antrish Thakkar. Pulkit Kochar, huge round of applause. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Lots of love. See you again next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.